I am here vibing with one of the most talented and controversial artists in the entertainment industry. His parents named him Carol-Dale Udah, but we know him as
Don Maffia, a.k.a. Gringo.
Father Gringo.
Yes, my boss.
All is well, sir. You know how things set up, you know?
Yeah, man. Mad, man.
Say, man, out.
Yeah, man. Out.
Full
ready.
white.
Yeah,
Bright.
ready. Presidential.
Mad.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
So, Mafia,
Yeah.
say all is well.
Yes, my boss.
Talk to us, though. Early life, place of birth.
You know, so I'm born in one place named Marking Stone. And not to be a St. Mary.
Just St. Mary, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
So I grew up with my father for a few years.
Yeah. That I not Mary.
Yeah. And then after a while, my mother come take me from my father. And carry me up on the road, and then it's coming like my mother have me and left me at one place. You see me? My early life is struggle. My whole life is like a movie. You know what I say? So my life is not just a straight show thing. My thing up and down, rise and fall. So my mother left me at one children's home. With one lady named Miss Kennedy who owned the children's home. I remember them things. They just have kid, but I remember. And one lady used to bathe me in one concrete something. And I lick up all my head in the wall. And I used to call her goat head, you know, because I never like her. You see me? So it was me and my brother. And then we have a little sister too. And then we had the children's home now. And then my uncle now, when him uncle guy, him come for it and bring me down to one place named Roses Valley down at St. Elizabeth. And go left with Granny, Miss Roslyn Kali. You see me? That lady is my idol. See?
Grandma.
My granny. Because she grew me and she teach me a lot of stuff. You understand? So me that man when me in the yard now, I make keep the yard lively, like pure joke, pure singing, pure style, you see me?
Yes.
So them time me here used to long and they used to call me Wet Rat, you see me?
Wet Rat.
Yeah, that's my first artist name, you know, because I'm an artist from my band, you know, because from me start talk, my beer nights and start make. So I used to sing on my grandmother gate like every evening, like Sunday evening time, some big woman and some people in the district just come get up, carry ice cream for me and come sit down for me sing all night and give them beer drama, you understand? And anywhere I go, I have to stop and sing for people. So from them time, I do it from way back, so. You see what I say?
Before we take on the music, though, Mafia,
Yeah.
what you mean your mother come take you away?
Because my mother and my father didn't have a problem. You don't know when your parents not a problem.
Yes.
Somebody they agree with my father and everything all right, and I love my father because my father was a good person, see? And then when I look now, it's like my mother come take me away and carry me up on the road. But it come like she never have no time. She never have no time for we are. I don't know what she did plan to do with it. Because you say if she did just live with her father, maybe with her all right. Because we have a family we care about it. You understand?
So where was the children's home? St. Mary, same here?
No, Kingston.
Kingston.
Yeah. But on the way to the children's home, like she left with some people. One night, one woman run me down, me and my brother for kill me, you know. And I run as a little youth, one woman named Miss Ada, and I never forgetting, and the woman run me down, say, I kill she, I kill me. I don't know if she's mother have, you know. And when I look, I run try some water in the bridging, and the water, like, through my shot, and the water reach me about way up, so I like nothing did fall, and I feel something I go drown. I say, is the woman will catch me? I go drown, but I not turn up, you know. Through the water here where I go and we run and we escape still, you see me? So, that man, I go through enough things, my early life. Sure. You see me, I tell you, General?
So you end up with grandma?
Yeah.
St. Elizabeth, that?
Yeah, man.
So it was you say, your brother,
Yeah.
sister?
My little sister wasn't there, you know. My mother did still have her, you know, was she there, you know. You understand?
So how many siblings that you know about?
But, all right, I have 2 by my mother's side, and I have 2 sisters by my father's side, and another brother. So my 2 sisters by my father's side, and my brother, them alive, them live in America, you know. But my brothers passed away by my mother's side, see? And then my sister is still around too, by my mother's side, see me?
Mommy is still around?
Yeah. And my father dead.
Alright.
From 2003, yeah.
Yeah, your mother have any type of relationship?
Yeah, man, I did mother same way everything, and you know.
After all of that?
Yeah, man, I mean, man, I always look out same way, man, and make sure she's good same, because the reason why, you know, after I grew up, I just feel say, yo, you still have to do that same way, because some people don't even care. Even if man will know me and say, yo, why you care? Why you care? But, you know, I don't my mother and she bring me on. You know what I say? So she never have to bring me same way, you know. You see me?
Yes.
So anyway, me read me have to still remember her. You understand?
Grandma still around?
No, man.
Grandma
So my granny
out.
dead at the age of 96 years old.
Yeah?
My granny am a hero, man. Right now, me talk about my granny all the whole day, man. Interview can't done, man. She teach me certain things, you understand?
Yes.
And then she love me as a little kid, and when we in the yard, she don't make me feel no less. She treat everybody equal. And then she used to tell you one whole heap of dopey story at night time. But some rolling calf and them thing there. And when time she attack me, always hitch up right or she there because afraid, you know, you see me? And she always attack something and then she cook and she make we alright and she take care of we and more time she all beat with her, but she love we, you see me? And that's the greatest part of my life, I can remember where we really get love, you understand? As a kid I come up, without that, my everything would be so different, you see me?
Yes. Where did you attend school though, Mafia?
First school I go in, I go to basic school in Roses Valley Basic School, and then I go Roses Valley Primary. So when I there up, my granny now I grew now. So I become the entertainer in the district now. See? Because I have to still touch one road if you show you where to go. Because I end up at our next school. You know.
Oh, okay.
So one of my auntie now, my grandaunt, my mother auntie, no, my mother's sister fly in and come build one big house out on the front. You see me? Out of one place named New Look. Like Oxford, that I don't want nice river there, you know, right now, you know. Because we used to walk at them river there when we all could go swim to, you see it? So she come build a big house and she keep a house opening. And I end up go out there with my family them, see it? Because I have my auntie them, you know, and Davis and Cynthia, R.I.P. So I say my cousin named Vern, Nezreen. So anyway, them I go them and bring me, because I show me full of vibes, and anyway, I go me give them joke and I talk and whoop something, they love me. So I go out of the place now, and it's like one little something they did there with, you know, them come music thing there back in at them time there. But I don't remember what go happen, and I go end up sing a song. So you see, sing when I go sing. And then I sing one song and say, someone loves you, honey, no matter what, just come on and be my bride. And when I sing the song, my grandaunt surprised, and I said, I will for son. So them I said, yo, I'm a Salty son, I'm a Roslyn grandson. So she said, so walk on with him, just sing, man, I like him. Man. So she said, she go adapt me now and carry me to America, because our big son named George, come like him, gone to the army or something. So she said, she go adapt me and carry me with her. So when me, they don't want to say I rich, me I go rich back now, you know. See? Remember I say a big foreign, me I go end up now, yeah. You know. See? When me looking at my general, me don't know where my mother stay and I roll I hear about this adoption, you know. One night, me did a big war broke out and me hear my mother come and bad up my granny and bad up everybody. And take away me and my brother, you know. And she carried me, go left me with one pastor man out of one place named Balaclava, you know. One man named Pastor Henry, you know. I hear me dream and I have a whole different story that again. Because I foreign, I forgot now I live rich, you know. And I look, I pour back, you know what. The first day I go, I rich, you know. Because they put me around one big table and I give me knife and fork. And I say, okay, that's too life them. Because I'm not used to them as tuitions, you know. When I put my granny and my granny cooking, you know. Up on rock stone, I sit down with my plate and my dinner, brother. I don't business with nothing. Because when I put my granny, I live free.
Yes. And
Pimenta broke. And you say, if we sell the Pimenta, trash them. And we get all when I read $20, I come like a drug smuggler, you know. When they have $20 in I do those days, you know. You see me? You cannot spend it half, you know. Because your granny have to give it, put up that, you know. Yeah, you say, you get all when I blew $10 them. You're rich. You see me? And them I tell you, say, I'll unopen Aki. One chucker come, pump, blow, you have to sell that, see it? And you get your granny, my granny advise me to get me little money together. So my granny, when you get all $1 and $2 for go to school, you're rich, you know. You can't do that pamphlet and fried dumpling, you know. You understand? I have to tell you about my granny too, you know, before me reach out to Pastor Henry.
Yeah, right.
You see me? So you say me dump on my granny now. Yo, but I want to laugh too much. But I tell you, my thing serious. Yeah, so me reach out to Pastor Henry now. No, I'm not reach out to Pastor yet. I'm still up at Rose Valley. You see when me up at Rose Valley, I nicest time of my life, General, because we in one yard and my granny give the whole away. Piece of land, you know.
Yeah.
Because you see my granny now, my granny have Neesbury walk, Papa walk, guava walk. Every fruit have one part where you say I walk. So you see a man time when mango beer, I live in a mango walk, me know what I be with no food, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? And if we go on Neesbury, I just pure Neesbury. Anything you want, everything up there. You see me? When I suffer like, we are dead for no hungry, you know. Fruits and sitting there about, and food. And you don't know what going to happen now. When we sell all we little things and we get the money, we're going to put up that chin and spend it. So when you look, anything we want, biscuit, anything, you say we will get it. I mean, they have one uncle named Uncle Curly. Them man used to go up on a farmer and come back. When them man they walk through the village, I rich, them man they rich. Any shop them man they there. See it? Any shop them man there, I'm going to go there. Right away, my biscuit them rich and my soda them. I mean, I have to sing 2 songs for you man in Dan friend them. And them I done in our village. You see me I say?
Yeah, right.
And we up there where I live nice still, you know, I tell you lie, you know, right now, you know, people. I tell you, say, it's implementer broke. When they have a time, implementer crap, you know, it's implementer broke. A big thing I go on in a yard and you say, yo, big pot of cook every day and whip a man and work and them thing there. But what go on with me now when I'm about 6 years old? You have one shop in our district where my granny say, them not for go. Like my cousin them not for go. Right? So you know, say one day when my cousin go to a shop. And carry me go to a shop. And when I go in a shop like the woman I play in my ear, because I tell you my ear used to long in my back, you know. Everybody I call me wet rat, you know, my first stage game that, you know, see? So when the woman I play in my ear, I come out of the shop in general. Me I try to talk to my cousin and I nah hear my voice, you know. And I say, what I go on? And I start to some black butterfly in front of me. And so I went to some reach up at the yard. Serious thing, you know, I tell you this, you know. I'm not joking, you know. I reach up at the yard and I say, like me that day, so I say, I want green lizard there, so I said to jump by me. I'm not run and nobody no see lizard. I say, see big old lizard and nobody can see it. So in a night, in a room I sleep, because the house set up a 2 yard in the 2 house in the yard. Yeah. So at night time, the whole of we crowd up our granny room, because we don't want to left from our grandmother, you know. See it? So it's like we don't business, we sleep anywhere, and grown anywhere, because once we were grandmother. In the night, now we come in like, me just wake up out of the blues. And when I wake up, I come out of the living room, I see the door wide open. So I tell you about we in the night like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, you know. I'm here like one voice I call me or somebody I lead me or something. And I come out of the house, you know, and just find myself a walk in a general. And when I reach, guess where they come find me? So they have one barbecue, you know the place on them barbecue where they spread out. They spread coffee and piment up and if it's dry.
Yeah, man.
I roll on there, so they come find me next morning in a flat tire, like sit down with me head and I roll over in my head and my tongue along out of my head. I dead, I go dead, you know. Them have to run go find one science man in our district when your uncle brother. Never forget one man will live around at Jenkins. See? I say ask anybody down at Rose Valley if I know so you go. Uncle brother come and that man saved my life because the man come bust up beer rum for me and rub me put salt and touch at one person over me. And it's one dog in the yard, one black dog in the yard when in Washington. My cousin where they are Canada now. A fear dog, you know. Washington, you know. And Washington come the frat where I come out of my mouth. The dog lick up the frat and start flatter. And lick up the head in the edge of the barbecue and drop over one deep part so. And then long out with tongue long out the head, I dead, you know. So that saved me, you know. And when me save back now, you know, I have one ground, you know, when my granny give me, I tell you my granny give me whole piece of land. Yeah. And I say, each of we have one little farm, see? You see my ground when I get a 1 yam me plant in my whole ground, you know, the biggest yam in our village, you know. Every farmer have to go and look at that, you know, because me no have no whole heap of nothing in our ground, just one big hill so. And the yam be around big, that's everybody at talk about it, and I say, yo, see? So where I live nice up there, so whenever I really suffer, but all the time when I did it, like me have one cousin named Aunt Paulette, well, she have a big cousin, so we call her Aunt Paulette. When them the woman there come out like Christmas time, you know. Rich, very rich, you know. One more to sit and come in and we breakfast them big pants on the morning and sitting there. And them tell me say Santa Claus I come Grand Market night. And if it's behave myself and if it's set all one long socks up under my pillar. And I used to believe in a Santa Claus with you, know. Because I set my thing out when I look, you know. My socks full up of fifi and balloon and sitting now and I say, what a rich because Santa come drop off my things them. Nobody couldn't tell me say I'm a Santa, you know. Them time they're like a youth, you know. See? Yeah. And then as soon as I live up on my granny, so I tell my mother now. See, my mother now, I never close to my mother. Because from my left St. Mary, I never link back my father either. I write my father one time, you know, and draw up my foot size on one paper and send what give him, you know. And I don't hear back from him, you know. So I say, Kuya, I don't have no father then, you know, brother. I live, I go and live, you know. See it? And my uncle them and my cousin them and my auntie them, I take care of me. But as me I tell you now, when mother come and take me away, and carry me go to Pastor Henry now. First day I go, big old table, knife and fork, and I say, wait, I reach hour. So you show me say I sit here, because I don't know about no knife and no fork. I plate we get and sit down for a rock stone it with dinner, because country we live. See? They don't know what say. I kind of pray them and say, hey, them a big old rich life, and mine a trick or not trick me in a Babylon. You know? But you know what say, we go to church today, you know, and them and preach and them talking about sit down. They listen to them tell them, I say, yo, church done, I will come in, I get big old thing around table again. And I say, what? It's too stiff when people have my pan, you know. So you know what say, by next morning I wake up. I gone, my mother gone. You see, for my mother gone, I sleep when I drop in there, brother. Straight. Yo, I go through some things, brother, for them the years that when I live there so far.
How long you live there?
Well, I did that from about 9, you know. Till I couldn't take it no more, you know. Come on, I run from the first day, you know, but I can't run because here I not run now. I'm afraid of my mother. I say, if my mother can't come here, I left me. I don't want to go run where I go grab my back and wear and say me this, you know. But then time I want to run, and I just run me to, you know. Because I know for my granny, but true, he look far, because I little. I know when I grow big and I look back, I say, but I never really far. But I just get up and go back, see it? But when I look, I say, I did the obey the harder, you know. Brother, I go through some breeder treatment now that yeah, the man, God Almighty save me.
Like what, sir?
They used to treat me like slave brethren. They have me at outcast now, yeah. You know what type of treatment that they say me nothing. You see them bathroom in their house, me nothing use it. Me nothing eat around their table. Me nothing drink no water out of their fridge. You see all the TV, then they want something named Circle Square, I go on and Fat Albert and the Cosby Kids now. But can't watch it, you see me? Because I'm not good enough to watch for them things, you see me? And then them used to have some whole heap of, them have farm, like they have some whole heap of hog, some hog in a pen bigger than the cameraman, see? Tall. And me affair go there, every morning and me affair go there, go clean out the hog pen. They have me in a hog pen, when I say hog them tall, and I hog more them bigger and I bite them, I go out to bite that made that why now. But they have me, I do them things there, yet still I have one tank where you have to go get the lady, take up the hose, you know, one hose run go up by farm, and the woman take up the hose, you know.
Yeah, go catch water.
And say, make that too easy for me, you know. You see tank when I climb over? I'll know when I grow up and go back, I go look. I look and say, Jesus Christ. Suppose me did have a job, because tank full right up to the top, you know. And I climb up on the side, so I drop water, and I say, as a kid, you know. I said, then suppose me drop in this, I dead, you know. See it? And then a woolly party, I go through, because here what them I say, no. They have some woolly part foul and them things, and I have to clean out foul, poop dog. See it? Sufferation, because work, I kill me now, you know, because then say me now me a bastard like picnic, you know. Me not live no good life, you know. See it? So me I get beaten like when me I get out some beat more time, me boss. Me not tell the lie when pastor beat me, come like I kill pastor, try to kill me still between me and you know. And guess where man I beat me for? So simple like something. To learn to make up all out fire. When me up on my granny, me not touch no fire. I don't know about no fire, because I can't go near fire, because my granny don't want that this man beat me to make up wood fire to make dog feed. And you see dog them are my best friend in the yard. That's why I love animal up till today, you know, because more time I have to eat out some of my dog feed, you know. I tell you the truth, you know.
Big man thing.
I mean, then more time, you know, we don't work on the farm, brethren. And past time up a farm, I don't know if I do a chat and sitting to some neighbor. And when you look at 10, 11 o'clock, me as a little kid, 9-year-old, 10-year-old, me not eat no breakfast yet. And when me look hungry, I kill me, and I turn big old cornmeal and mackerel give dog. But just name out some of that, you know, and just go on easy, you know, and go and take care of the dog them. Because me say I want outcast in this yard, you know. But guess what I save me them time there? Anywhere me go, I start sing, I start DJ, I start entertain, crowd gather. So this when I go to the church, I take over a church, and I start singing at church, and everybody in the church just rate me up. So when I look at Sunday school class, I teach. But when I collect a half and borrow back sitting out there, you know. Yo, I not tell no lie. Yeah. More time I collect all the half in my class, you know, my boss. I end up having to borrow something out there. And go on one shop, go and look sitting. Because they have me in a church, long in a church. I keep long church, I done all 4 o'clock in the brother. I dead, they have to dead in a church, you know. More time them I tell us say all fasting. Me that man drop down all the fasting already, you know. And them I talk about say, an evil spirit come upon me. Then time they hungry, I kill me. Because you can't have 10-year-old picnic all 4 o'clock, me not dinner at 3 o'clock. See? Me not eat my food from morning. So guess what now? One big convention keep at church one night now, you know. One something named anniversary like, see? So whole I bishop down the pastor live in Jamaica come, you know, a man named Bishop Nepal. Where he my boss for Pentecost. Because one church named Apostolic Church, you know. One Indian man from South. The man have a pretty church in Jamaica right now. Go down there, go look. 5 Barclay Street down at South. I not tell no lie. Actually, all of South Lamar, if I Nepal them. I boss in a church thing. See? So that man there, him responds for all Pentecostal church in Jamaica. And the man come at the church tonight and you know only for people means outside ram up to because I see no fans them out there wait to because I have two set of fans. I have a Christian fans them and I have a sinner fans them. Because when I go to church, I have to stop all about and bust two lyrics and that two three for some man. And when I look for me same youth, that one youth will live in a yard, that pastor son and him play guitar doom, doom. And when I look, man still go and tell them say I DJ, I look still I get beat and him now get no beat. So I say we have to play with him for. And I mean I deal with the thing. See it? But the man coming like him, he want me suffer back. So he always like a laugh when I get beaten to May I tell you the truth? And guess what? Just when the convention keep night, the anniversary, I'm go up there. Then time I'm about 11 now. And I sing one song where say, I came to the garden alone while the dew is still on the road. Yo, you hear me, Jay? When I'm done with that, I play the church, play that too, And guess what? Just when I'm done, guess how we get up and hold up when I read 20 them. Now, bishop man, a boss for the church in the whole Jamaica, that man they get up and put when I read 20 in a offering plate and say, him go pick up money for me sing back. So him start walk over way, him man them there. And then fit him wife now with Miss G now. Get up and put one blue $10 in one plate and start walk over where sister them there now and start collect back. Be money for me come back, Remember say they don't know me or nothing, I come there and see this little youth sing. So when I see that now, I say wait, a big bishop, I collect money for me sing back. So at that time, I get out my courage. I say, I'm going with him. I pop out the mic out the rest from now. The first time, I just stand up on the rest from me and I hide like the shy. And it's when I say, big bishop and his wife believe in me. I say, tear out mic. And when I drag back his song, whole church at the fire. And they give me a big plastic bag full of money. So then, I first that I work one show in my life. Because guess what's going to happen now? You see, my textbook them when I get for do common entrance. Yeah. Maths, mental ability and English. The pastor wife did burn up my book them, Because she said, I not take no common entrance. Because I'm not supposed to come out to nothing in a life, I tell you how my life going, And you see the money that when I get, them the people that were coming, them have to end up stay up at pastor yard in a guest room or whatever for the night, so they can't take away that money there, You see next morning, at 4 o'clock, we wake up and do everything when I do already and cut and go down to one drugstore, down a Balaclava town when you're home in the drugstore. I ask anybody with more bala. I used to go in there, I buy back my 3 book them for about $100, then $100 chang like lion. One man back there with that, you drop a ground. See it? A big rich, Because when I get my book, them I carry them go to school and go give me principal, Mr. Falla, and say, here one out. Boy, you keep them book here for me. And I go study. Because, you see me, in everything I do, I always make sure I say, you see, reading, every book I say me read. And anything that people tell me, I register that. And you see, every match I say, I do it in my head. And every license plate I say, I remember that. That's some mistake. Like, I always test myself them way. Like, I just want to keep going. You see me? So when I do now, I do the common entrance. I tell you about the common entrance. The pastor send one boot, the bishop send one shoes for me. Send up bag of sitting for me, Because bishop send things for me now. Because bishop and his wife want to adapt me, And can't make go rich, Pastor about no one will not give because them go and love me now and sitting and them a treat me good. So true me I eat that now, Because if I just ball out and say, Bishop, I take me before me dead, Because suffer me and suffer so still neatly, But true me I have manners, You see that? Manners carry the world more than we make you not reach now. I run with Bishop them and go rich down a country, down a south with Nepal family, So you know what I say? The bishop end up send some clothes and something for me now, because them get to rate me, Because through them member when I come there come sing. You see, I go to a convention down at the people in church. I run a bishop yard, me there, my big dinner, them I take care of me like me a special guest, I remember say, I'm here to look up me, See, all bishop wife, everything. I take out clothes, I give me everything. I say, what go on? So you know, so the people them send one boot for me, and I say, nah, we till me come on entrance morning. I never forget in my shoes now. One brown shoes, rugged out back, Me put on boot, but I now wear boot till the day when I go take come on entrance. Then let me tell you one next joke. That's when I choose all the school them. I don't have nobody to sit down and choose one school where I want to go for pass. I don't think that I go to as youth, you know. And guess what I do? I end up read the paper and I see two funny looking names on the paper. So one was the Carteret. You see that name, the way it look? That's what I see. Anyway, I see big word, I try break it down. So if I see that word, I say, the Carteret. At the first I hear that word, that school that I want to go. I don't know what it means or nothing, but that word they look different.
The Carteret.
I don't want to look at Manchester High, and it's only a school that easy to read. See? Yeah. But I don't know any school that I end up go choose. I drop down now, you know. No immaculate conception, I don't know say I'm girl picking in school that, yo. So when I look at pass now, and when I say the Carteret, I go, you know. So I say, oh, all right, near Mandeville. You see, I tell you about common entrance there. When I go do my common entrance, general, I burn the lady burn up my boot too, you know, that day there, you know. After me, I wear one old boot and all the front tight pop out and everything. And I weary, you know, when I weary down to the last guy, I say, you're not touching you one till common entrance. The man, I'm ready and I look for my boot, you know. I don't say no boot, you know. I burn you man burn up my boot, you know. The brand new boot, I don't wear it, you know. Pastor wife, you know. And guess what, you know? I sit down and say, I don't go to no school then, because I don't know boot for wear then. Because I don't wear that old one because common entrance there and everybody are dressed up in them best now for come to common entrance. I sit down, you know. I say, I don't go to no school now, I don't do no common entrance now. And then when something run across my mind, say, after them burn up book, and I sing at church, and get money, and buy back book, and study out, and know the time come for test, and me I go sit down and feel, you're mad. Guess what I do? I barefoot, I walk out of my common entrance, you know, brother. With my big old 10-toe spread out the ground, you know. I shame like a dog, you know, when I step out in high school, I pray for people not look at me, you know. And you don't know what? It's when the common entrance done. I laugh. When I say, yo, I mash up them. You say all the multiple choice them. But I ram. You see me? I know some me pass. And you see my name coming in a star. That time I force me to get right up in that paper, because I force me to come in a star, you know. Brother, the lady send go buy a star, you see? I see my name in there. I get some beating. Everybody I get bicycle and I get present for pass common entrance. Me get beaten for pass common entrance. And that's how I come from in my thing. You understand? And that was my episode in Balaclava. Until I start going to school now named the Carteret. You see, from I go to the Carteret, I take over high school. Because I just start, the first time I go in a devotion and sing one Rarian song. What's that? This time I want big song, you know, festival song, you know. Give thanks and praises. We are 25. I don't need back here. I still survive. We put our faith and trust in the Father, and He's keeping us alive. So give thanks and pray. That's when I sing that in a devotion. I lock me down the whole school. I own my own school, you know. And that's when I get one different name, you know. Guess what my name now? I so tell you what my name. Make them go. A breadfruit, my name now, you know. Because you want to make my name breadfruit. They want to say my head big like one breadfruit. See it? So, then start calling me breadfruit. So I start singing in school now everywhere. So till then change back my name again. Because them time they know, you know. Shabba ranks them a bus now and some man a bus name ranks now, you know. Guess where I go name now?
Breadfruit
now,
ranks.
Now brush ranks, man. Me say, yo. I take me to go by school with that name there. And everybody have to sing, you know. You see, when lunchtime come, you have some girl in a higher class than me. See it? And guess what? When me get lunchtime, you know, and I go back in, them just I get for them lunchtime, you know. What you think then, though?
So you sing for your girl, them?
Yeah, man, because you know, they used to come take me out of my class, and I have to sing for them. Then tell them I have to sing a Whitney Houston song. All I sang them I run the place, but I still have build my little lyrics them too, you see me? But I tell you, so them girl, I know, some top girl in high school, and more time, I sing for them, I do them nervous still, because they're hot like fire, but you don't know through me little and them, I shy still, I not pass my place, you know, you see me, because I want them. And they used to, you see me, they love that. So, me used to love that something they like, for really I sing for people and I entertain people. So, I end up some youth in the school when named Otar. Them man, they are richest youth them in high school. Them I drive BMW come to school and I ride big bike come to school, and you see me? And them I done them in high school. So one day I pass for one, but like me I pass them on a corridor like one of the youth them I say, yo, come in. Like you know man, I say artist come in and I go. And the man say, oh, you're going to get bust a tune for us on area. So I say, yeah, man, I mean, man, I start bust 2 tunes for them. So I saw them start par with me now, you know. And I start rolling a big old beam and some beer sitting now and get like me rich back, you know. And I tell you, say, this for me life going like a real mix-up. Because them, man, you know, I richest youth, them in high school, you know. Mark Otar, them, Omar Otar, I never forget them, I know, you know, that. See it? Because them youth have changed my life. Then show me one different side of life where me never know now. Because me I go and I sing all about, all on the bus them when I go home. Me no pay for you, you know. From step in the bus park, be singing everybody, everything me get free, food, everything. See? So them I youth I reach you them and them take me up on a part me now and I say, yo, how artist this and start carrying me all about and you know me I say, one big old barbecue and go around them man. Big school barbecue man. And the man them put on to a big chain for me man. I want glass and so sit man and I go up there go sing. At time I DJ like Ninja man, you know. Cause I don't tell no lie. Ninja man never me idol. Because from me a little youth and me I listen Ninja man. I say, oh the man DJ so. How would man manage to do that? Border clash. You know, when selling for that and the some start DJ like him and barbecue come. You know, if you place, but the place shell because even the parents them will come at the barbecue, you know. They can't believe they want to look at youth where I go to school, you know. At DJ, just like Ninja man and go on so with beer and ticks, you know. And the time I wear some chaplain, one big old pants, and you hold my foot tight up and a big sock. And then say a chaplain and we wear one clear glass named Pinchers. So we're hot in high school, are starting, you know. When we're done, we all dance with man, woman, and we look, man, kick you up, and we have to go tell we bigger friend them, say, yo, there's one boy kick you up, and we are out for broke, you know. You see me, I say, how we are starting now in high school, the people, them, but when youth used to name Kevin, him a general degree, brother. Then time the general degree no about set, you know. The man now come to school and a DJ degree lyrics, them, and I say, how the my lyrics are so bad for me lyrics? I don't know lyrics. The man a DJ like tune about mother rule, pick me and no pick me rule, mother. And I said, how you make them a singer? Where you get them? Then tell me straight, the man a bad DJ for me, you know. So guess what I start do? I start borrow back your lyrics them little to, you know. And boy, me I go all about go DJ them and get some breed of forward and play them artists. Because you want you name Dennis in Chicago right now, if I watch you know a true me attack. Then the man there when me see them, me have to stop and DJ. And them man they influence me. You see me? I want to shoot them Gabby Dan, my part with Capleton. I never forget them. See me? Because from a little them a boost, I say, yo, you have to play the place. So I always I try. Every time I see them, I start DJ degree lyrics them and go on like a family lyrics them, you know. Because the lyrics are too bad. If left with this man at school. Because school alone him a DJ and after that him gone and yard and me I go everywhere go chat the lyrics them, you know. The man have one named Circle Mandeville, you know. And me I tell him Circle Mandeville and I chat the lyrics like my own. And I know some of them on the ends now. And I bust the lyrics there. And when you look at places I mash up and I hear a man give out. So them lyrics the DJ, I offer lyrics them there. So that's what I mean. That's what I mean. I must my thing that man said, nah man, you don't know you out from Greenville. When I hear Greenville, I jump, you know, because I know say really Greenville the lyrics are come from. But I straight say Kevin lyrics them, Pancho Kid, you know. Oh, and me look. The man I said, nah man, you know, when you general degree man, with the tailoring man. So I say, we should get a degree that. I don't know who that. Because I don't know him man, you know. And I man lyrics them, I use that much of a place that when I look. The man I say, yo, them lyrics them man, I'm a virgin, a degree lyrics them. Then if I tell me that, I start pre-back and I say, a problem with them lyrics that them have in mind what I do, you know. But I still hide and I chat to them some place, you know. Anyway, I try draw 1, 2 and see if nobody pick them up and nobody happen. I go and chat the rest. I go up on the next sense and draw, I sit them again and tweeze them here and next man draw down by me. And I tell me, I say, I degree lyrics them there, you know. I say, friend, that, let's make up my mind and say, yo, I'm not chat no more degree lyrics them, you know. My lyrics them I need to chat. So I start write some lyrics, but then time I write the lyrics them without punchline. Yo, you said me write the lyrics all 2, 3 pages of one verse. And when I study in a school, anything I study, I write it in a lyrics. So if me in a class I do all test, I just a DJ back in song in my mind, I remember everything. And when I'm in a class, I'm a DJ, every lunchtime, crowd have a draw. See? So I write this, I start getting vibes and I say, hot me hot then now, because I build my own thing now and I see people are respond to it. But I DJ like everybody, I DJ like Ninja Man. I DJ like Shabba Ranks, I chat like Professor Nuts, because them I listen, you know, brother.
Yes.
So at the right, that's how the things start develop and start feel say, yo, I want to them. Hot man, I tell them man want to go all a town, because them time in the studio, they are no country, brother. The greatest thing where I think about after reach at Kingston. So you see, anyway, I go and I hear Shabba them music play and Ninja them, I take the record and I look on the address on the record. So I say, Bobby Digital, 6 Rands Road, Kingston 10, Penthouse, 56 Live Pen Road, King Jammy's, 38 St. Lucia Road, Black Scorpio, 38 Lee Avenue. Some start study the studio address them in my head as a kid. Because I know say, a day my place I have to reach, you know. If you go do something make people can hear you back, you know. So at them thing they start pre from them time there. You understand? So after me tell you say I go to the barbecue, I beat men up get when I reach home, you know. Then time I live at Arties, you know, cause they left me for board at one yard now, you know. Pastor them say me for board out, you know. I end up board with the people and the people them love me so much that me have to end up run well if pastor them now, you know. Cause when me tell them how pastor them a treat me, they say you're mad. I don't know if you done with that. God know. One lady named Auntie Bibsy from up at Harties. That's how my life go. Roller coaster. You see me? Cause this lady have decided say, me not for turn down the sucker, me a suffer cause she can't believe cause I want to pass the church instead of them. And he left me for board there with them. But the people them get to like me so much and brother George them now and you know me I hope me don't get trouble in the yard. Me have discipline. Cause my granny grew me that way there. So it's when me in a yard, anything me fi do, me just do what me I do. If wicked sin me commit as kid, is we hide and DJ. I hide and listen professor not them. And that's my sin, you know. But just when church time come, me dress up and me go in a church door. Me sing in a church too and me take part and me decent otherwise not. But as I turn them back, me I chat to lyrics or I listen dance all. So me go at the barbecue. Boy, my boss, before me reach my yard, then here say, me mash up barbecue, you know. You mad? But if you don't decide and boy a DJ by you, I crop you one count on or what? I get some beating when I reach home. I wicked that time me hot, you know. But me a party all my girl and rare and me hot, you know. I feel say me a star, you know. Cause me just mash up one big old barbecue, you know. And when me reach my yard, I get some breed of liquor, me know for DJ. And you see next day, one big dance I go on with Kilimanjaro them. And Ninja Man and Woolly Pa Sound. Black Cat them and Bass DC them. Don't I want to land name, Fresh First Line, a Royal Flat. Which was the next day, you know. So for my friend, when I apart with that donut, tell me, say, yo, we're going to make you mash up that dance there and rare, you know. You see when me say, me, I go DJ, don't I want to dance with Ninja Man, I go there. I'm ready for dead for that, you know. You see, morning, I wake up and run away, you know. I decide that I'm not go back home in the car. If me go to that dance, I go DJ. I can't go back to my yard, you know. And you see that, I make a decision right away and say, DJ Ninja Man them, and Kilimanjaro them, Bass DC them, Black Cat them. I don't live nowhere there, brother. And that me have to do first before I think about life again, you know. Yeah. And I go and dance with the Dan them. Pure big old Benz and sitting rolling. Ninja Man coming and dance. You're well you know Ninja Man wear one mad hairstyle in a white marine and big old chair. First I say Ninja Man person. I God me say, you know. I can't believe a Ninja Man that me see, you know. And the man step in with the Switzerland wife them time them. Be a thing. And I'm a mouth them the Panjaro and sitting. And they done them. Then time I tell you about one Dan when name Trevor Otar. And them man there and Skengdan used to run Sturmars. And that them man there my boss, you know. And the man tell, like the man I tell Ninja Man, say, yo, your idol, this man, you ain't idol. You have to make him touch it. They don't know what Ninja Man call me up. I was asking they put me up on some big old record back up. I'm turn up, I'm talk DJ about school. Because I tell you, I chat degree lyrics again because I don't want time to catch up and me tell me I teach my lyrics now. And from this, I know I know if teach lyrics now. And guess what? You swear me DJ night, me get forward because then time you know. If dance, I listen to me and I talk about my school and which taxi me take what school and who in my class, who are my teacher. So I look at you, the place boss like them and say, yo. And Ninja Man, look for me, Ninja Man, the great, look for me and say, yo, how you do? I jam is still there, you have to come link me, man. I make my boss, yo. How will man go say to me? Jam is still there when I know your address already. 38 St. Lucia Road. You must say mad, you can't tell me that. I live. So you wanna? I go run with on Jaro truck that night there, you know. You see Jaro? Let me tell you what I run with on the truck. I want to look a VW van in there drive and pure box pack up on here. I don't like to look. I say, you know, so I drop off of that sitting here. I don't got a town on that. But me have to reach a town because Dan Gargan, Ninja Man, say me if you check him. A town. So you see, friend of man tell me that. The next day, you know, I hide out to Dan them. I say, I and Dan them go dance, you know. And them don't know say I run, me I go run with left me hand. Because I can't tell them say, I really run, me I go run. Because them I go say me if you turn a Mandeville. And at the same time, me don't want to turn a Mandeville. Me want to go a town where still there, you know. Because ninja man say me fi come a town. And brother, I go up by bus park and take one bus, you know. And I say, hey, town, you know. But you don't know what? They say me reach Jamaican, I get back coward. And I say, town? But who wanna go town, so you're mad? Yo, we're done with this. And come on by bus and I end up take one next vehicle. Go a race course at Clarendon. Because you see, lady now, Mama Bibbs, you know, we used to go down there go spend holiday, down at fair people, and one lady name is Ivy Buckler. We never forgot, seeing one Indian lady. So when we go there, for summertime, one brother named Pa, he have one woodwork shop with some woolly man there, I work on furniture, and I always go over there and a DJ for them. That time I right side of the yard and the people over here can't was a DJ, me a DJ now. And I over there give them beat lyrics and they love it. So I always want to go DJ back for them because my fans them, you know. And then everywhere I go down there, so it's like I start build a little name down there, so I say better I turn a Clarendon go and look, you know, because I'm not a town thing yet, you know, because I get coward. I don't tell no lie. I say, I'm just going to town so by myself, so you see me? And when I go to race course, I down there and I see him think me I go and do and I go on. But when I tell Miss Ivy say holiday, I get that time I don't know holiday, you know. I run because she knows I can't go back home, you know. Because dead me I go dead, you know. If I go DJ Panjaro so on, you know. Then I was down there one big stage show I keep up one place named Cosmo Theatre. Thriller you them, Captain Barky them, we come on them and some woolly big old star now. Remember I hear me about them as star, you know. And me said man them come right there so next week Friday. Some start planning on me that say, I need for you for that, you know. I don't know how me I go do it now because Miss Ivy them, you know, no DJ business and no bagayaga thing. You can't, you know, them something there with Miss Ivy them. See? Decent people them. So you know, say night. I jump through one back window. And one umbrella told me for one bicycle so. And we reach our show, and when we reach our show, I don't know how we are going in, brother, because we don't have money to pay going in at the same time. We are looking picnic and they not going to let we in. I wait until I see big old artists them come from town. Thriller you them and Barky them and some group of people, and Johnny P them and saying, what do you think me I do? I take me in there, right in a little crew. And a man hold me up and say, yo, I want to artist, you know. Damn the man, yo. I don't know him and them, you know. But from I see him and them, I know say them when I star, you know, because I say I see him and them, I know their face, you know. So I see big pretty car, them I drive up and them, and I turn up there, and I left, and I say, in that line now, we're there, we have to get in. So when we get in our show, when we are going one little that I hold on for me, boy, yo, who them you tell? I say, yo, I'm here, artist, you know. Yeah, I'm a serious up, and man, go on in, man. Yeah, man, them and the DJ, them come, and we go in. And we go in there. I say, I want a piece of it. Then I want brother, where MC show named Baldwin, poor people MC, see? And I see one brother now where they know where used to come down and utter them. So he know me, but he come like a Rocky Pint, him come from, you know. The man have on some big old rope chain and something sitting there, one Indian brother, you know. And the man see me and say, yo, you there? Where? I take off 2 big chain, them fling around me, and start tell them, say, yo, make a DJ, man, you man, a DJ. And Baldwin go call me, when the bands are playing, see? And I go up there with my school lyrics, you see? Life story, this, I'm a thought, please, shell the place, shell. You're Baldwin now. Remember that if you see this man on the TV in a few years' time, remember this is where you're from. I said, where you set out TV? You don't say me need that TV something there. I'm going to need it, you know. So, you see, when me do that, me go back to the yard and screeching back through the window and go on bed. And the next day, me wake up and I hear one discussion in the room pertaining to me, you know. In the living room now. You know. Like somebody from next door, some neighbor. Here, you know, I come and tell back Miss Ivy, you know, but I mean, here's him, go up there, got DJ and one bag of something. You wait till him wake up. I'm going to kill him with liquor. I don't maintain everything in my heart. Nobody in my family. Yes, when me hear Miss Ivy, I say kill with liquor. Back window again with one bag. And God. Then time when I'm a bridging now, brother. When I'm a bridging, near Guyana, see? For his mother just migrate gone to Canada. So him and his sister named Patrice live over one house of ice cream. But Guyana, them are my fans. Them are they believe in my thing. So I stay around where with one bag with some clothes and I say, yo, you know what I done? I don't know what I can't kill him, I plan to kill him, I'm going to shell down the shore. Then tell them I'm hot, you know. I mean, everywhere I turn in a race course now, you know. People I say, yo, artist, yo, blood, the DJ mash up the show last night. And I say, yo, you know what I kill me, I say, I plan to kill him with liquor. I don't done with over there, you know. Man say, oh, I'm here, man, throw a room there, man, go and go live. So I live back again, you know. See? I suffer my life going, you know. And when me live back, them a treat me good now, because you don't know what. Every night, I did another scheme there. Crowd dry gate, you know. Because me did a chat, be lyrics and I give them be a joke and one bag sitting on the place hot. So I some youth where we call Jamal, some place down there. I remember
and
the money must them. They have them money. And them ride them bicycle come park up on them bike them because they want to hear what the DJ saying. When you look at crowd, that man everything come give me. But then they see me and still about 2 more weeks pass and I start fret again. So I say, and then come to sit down in our house and just give me a town. I say, I go find Ninja man them. But I end up down at Clarendon like about a month. I go to 2 months and I start fret back. And I say, what is? I then come here so that. I do them say, job scratch with them and job is them and them the type of somebody them want to go find. I done back with country. So I get up early one morning, I make up my fear, daddy. Because I tear it's only come money for DJ. Because people are give me money, A man come out, what do you want? Hold that 20, hold that 40. I say, hey, get up, my riches them. Because I go run with the phone again, See it? I hear me. I jump on one bus, I never forgot. I take a little transit bus, one Indian Rasta named Nazi. I never forgot that brother there. Can you rate me to that man? I always give me a joke on the bus and he does rate me. You see me? I don't know what say. I take that bus to go me and I remember in morning, I go up on one Autogago bus when you're in Red Power. Then time I was on bus around playing Autogago. Rich bus them. One door they have when you press it and go in and sit down and AC on rich man say, hey. I remember one with Mark Red Power. And I sit down in that time and say, Tom. I mean now look back that time. Town me I go. I need to turn DJ now. I say I reach at town, I don't know enough. I reach down at when the bus park and I say, but I don't know say at all. I last I journey that I hear man I say, yo, where I go? Yeah, say that. So, yeah man, I know man. Because I go like I know Then I don't know nothing. As I come off a bus, I hear some music I play over one part. I go over there. I see one song named King Jerry. That I don't have arcade now. So someone come and do a DJ in one boat. I chat some lyrics and I watch them. And I say, yeah. At me at the time, I idiot. Because I mash up big show with July with them. I'm big as that. Because I know them lame. But we hear them a DJ. In my mind, I say, well, I'm not serious. So I go up there and tip up. And then I say, oh yeah, I was politician and daddy. Like them ask yo me. Because them think I'm only an uptown kid. Because them come laugh after me, boy. Yo, where you come from, dog? Where? Say, yo, give me your mic, man. Man, give me your mic. I'm going to start bust on lyrics. I'm serious about my lyrics them now. Because I say, this I go make it, Without lyrics, I'm not going to live, I don't have no life, brother. See it? I only this I know what to do for entertain people. And when I start DJ, hear the man them. Yo, I say, man. Yo, I studio, I forgot that. I wish studio. And I say, yo, I still them, I go, I want to tell you, tell them I boss, Because I think, them tell me things that when you reach at town, I see him there, I go boss, Because I remember I said, Ninja man, they say, come and jam is, I go boss, So when I reach, once I reach at jam is, I go boss, see him there and come and radio, everybody I go know. Because I boss me boss. You know what I said? The man them said, jam is, yeah man, I'll show you which bus to take, man. And the man them show me one bus and I see mark 8B. Then I see bus and them bus, I think that's a rich bus, because I say a town, And then the bus looks up. I'm jumping there still and me in there, I watch him. I go. I pray out the thing, Because I come like me, I get poor back, I say, but I think that's some big rich bus. See? So I go see one Rasta on the bus and I tell him, say, yo, jam is to them, you show me, Man, what you mean, man? Give me $5. Pop up my big old brown $5 give man in the dark. Then turn the $5 chunk. $5 chunk like lion again. You see me? I'm going to give man my $5. That's when the bus reach a big road. Guess what the man do? Come off of the bus and turn down a Penwood Road. Then time I don't know say I'm not Penwood Road now, but I know saying going down the road. Yeah. I left me stuck in ice cream or water. Watch me, I go at me. Yeah, don't chip in on the channel. See it?
Keep doing things when I work.
Yeah. Hold on, so what do you do? Yo, you see when I reach a big road, I don't know say a big road me there, but I remember some whole heap of shop. And I remember like some people are selling. You know me I say something I say? I town this and no water. They don't know say me there until I don't have to ask nobody still in the dark. Because I go like me a town man still, See? Country me come from, I don't know where I go, See? So I start walk. I walk and go down the road. And I see some youth over one wall. Like the man them call me. And they say, yo, come in. So they call me now, my heart go boop. And I say, hey. Them man they kill me or what, I don't know what. Then I reach over there, hear them, yo. Tell me, yo, I'm an artist, you know. Yeah, man, ninja man, I check around jam it, man. Yeah, a DJ, I say, yeah, man. And I bust two lyrics. And I stay and start tweet off to when I rhyme them. And I look at place and mash up, man, them and say me back. Hold on, commercial break. After I done DJ now, one Yota pass, one Umbra pass. I hear the man them and say, Soldier. You say Soldier? Soldier work around a jam, you know. I never know, you know. Man, them stop him and tell him, say, yo, bring that youth around our studio. He said, I want to take Ninja Man. So the man I said, Ninja Man are there. Ninja, they are foreign. So the man I said, bring him go on, man, because right now, the man is an artist for sure. See? Well, go on, devil is a liar, you know.
Probably need room temperature water.
That's why I reach around there. I never forget this king. When I reach a King Jammy's, I see the wall where Mark with Barrington Levy them name and the whole I star them when I hear about.
Which year was that though, Gringo?
No, 1991, man. I runway, you know. Then I'm about 15 now, you know. Fully runway, you know. Because I say a music business me going in, you know.
Yeah.
And I see the man them name on the wall, see? And I tell you, brother, you see, just to see the man them name mark on the wall, I have me reach, you know. Come here and say, then I hear something for the long time, I'm there about a country and down. In a one place like this, me for there. And when me there, I see Tiger driving in a big old Benz. And I see Coco T, them and be a superstar. Yo, you see superstar, them when I see alone. I don't remember nothing, so I don't live nowhere in a town, you know. I'm comfortable, you know. At night, I come down and I know where me I go sleep, you know, because I say, to home, I start shock, you know, in this place, and I say, but wait, I'll be a superstar in this place, I have something for that. So Power Man them now, when time the Power Man no boss it, you know. But then they there, Nitty Kochi them and the whole man them, they there. So the man then call me and I tell me, say, yo, John, oh my youth, I wish part to say you come from. I say, Mandeville, you know. So the man say, so yeah, go back down tonight. I say, go back away. And I run after run, I kill me people, I kill me if they know they're DJ thing. And the man say, yo, they don't have to go make, you know, have to go talk to King Jammys, man, and see if you can get somewhere for stay, man. So I say, anything, you know, because music, I say, I'm no business, I'm ready for dead in a town, you know. But you know, so when I go talk to Jammy, like when one man carry me in, like, and I say, King Jammys, and me hear them and say, one room around this RP, and when I go look on this now, me I look back and I say, what's up for a reaction? I'm eating a brother. Because I think a star life me I go live today now, you know. I mean, as a ninja man, they are foreign, you know. Because ninja me come to, you know, because my God me come to save me, you know. And when me look, you know, the man are there, you know. I don't know when he come and nobody, and when you look, man, I tell me, I show me one whole room, but me forgot. Me, I don't know that, you know. If I go back to country, me not done town and done gruff, you know. Because music me come here for do. And when me there country, and music me do. I know me coming at town. Star life. So you know the one say, why you named Robbie Roberts? Me never forget that singer there. The man tell me, say, yo, you know, say, I don't want a lady cross the road right now. You miss Nora and she said, she want you to come stay with her because our people them are can pick them gonna find her. So here this apart, you know. Me and Robbie Roberts I go through Jammy's gate. And the lady stand up a fear gate over the road, see? And Miss Nora see me. And Robbie Roberts and the pan. Robbie, where you get that nice little boy you from? I hope me I come left him gate. From a reach I get you man start playing on me here. I said, where you come from? Lord, him nice here. So I said, man, I'm Robbie Roberts. I tell her, I said, yo, they don't know. Say, them I say, if you stay over his studio. And she said, you're mad. You're dead over there. You cannot do that. Come. And the woman take me in the yard. And by the time I go in the yard, the woman give me one big old room. Miss Nora, I never forget that lady, my youth. The woman give me one big old room for myself and give me one big old bicycle for myself and one barrel of clothes, you know. Remember, I tell you, I run from country with nothing in my hand, you know. Because so me run, you know. When me I run, you know, me no care nothing, I no look back, you know, I forward, you know. Then the woman I said, you crazy, you can't stay over there. Them there is all nigga hooligan place already. I say, but I want big old steam fish me eat, you know? And I watch back news, you know? In our house, and that's only that couch, you know? I say, I rich or what? And by the time the next day, I get up in a scheme and I look, how when me look, when they like beer artists, I see next door. It means I live at one place now, you know, where artists live, you know. Because every day you get up, artists are coming. You know. I make out there water all the grass, because I have to do something in the yard, you know, to make it look good, you know. Because Miss Nora is a lady. Let me tell you about Miss Nora. Miss Nora is a Rasta woman. You see, Panet them, and Caperton them, and the whole of them, and Miss Nora start teach them about Rasta doctrine. Because Miss Nora have a thing when they say, 70 ka thunder, 70 ka lightning, 70 ka earthquake. So it's when they go turn up at the gate and they have all the hairstyle where they, he say, anybody will trim in another style and mark at the beast. So I can't trim in. Watch ya, I'll if me go trim in half a hide man, I can't come in. And Miss Nora now start telling me, say, me know for DJ neither, you know. Lord, you know, if you mix up with them, you can't go down them the part. I say, all right, me not go mix up with them. I mean, I had to behave myself now, because I listen to Miss Nora say as the boss now. And guess what? As Miss Nora gone in bed, you know. I gone a dance, you know. John Cat them, Beanie them, everybody, you know. I go and DJ everywhere in our house, you know, because a DJ, I come at town for DJ, you know. I don't want this comfortable thing about me sitting in the house and I'm no fish and rice, and when you look, I can DJ. So I rest Benji them, so I take on the road. And guess what? When I go and dance, I get locked out. One night I go and dance and I go DJ. I get locked out of the house, you know. And I don't care, you know. I'm glad, you know. Because guess what? You see just the fact, you know, say, I go DJ at one place. I no business about not sleeping in a house or nothing. I just want to go do that, brother, because I go dead if I don't do that, you know. And guess what now? You see when I get locked out, I run a back down because I say, hey, I have to wait, you know, till the light. Because one brother live in a house named Mass Aston. That Mass Aston, I wake up early if I go to work. So you see, anytime Mass Aston wake up, anytime pull the door. I just go to my bed now, I don't have to use them in the house all night now. Then I know some around there and beer and start fall. And when the rain start falling, I put one piece of zinc over me and sit down. Because I say, hey, I no business, my DJ runs a little while, you know. And you know, so when I look, I want breadfruit dropping the zinc and plate it at 10. The zinc mash up there, I say, we have to go knock up my stand in the serious night 3 o'clock. I say, yo, I drove out there, my boss, you have to let me in. And as some used to do it, I used to thief out and go a dance, and when I come in, I can't go in and go sleep, and I don't care, I just want to go DJ. You understand? But there I want a house, and the only thing where I want to do is really go DJ. So I go over the studio, Jammy's son, when named John. I want engineer you named Prentice. The man there used to start teach me for DJ and rhythm. So then you used to have me like when the studio empty out at night time. Then you start playing Punani rhythm, pam, 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 pam. And then you start teaching me how to DJ upon it. Them time I never know about rhythm thing yet, you know. Because I know I start to realize that without you ride the rhythm, it don't make no sense. Next time, them other time, I just feel say I words them. I never know say I have to go put them on rhythm and sitting there. So I start learning that something there now. Until anyway no dance I keep, I try go DJ, I try go hitch up to get a chat off my mic. So you have a song name Explicit. Where Billy Slaughter used to play them time name.
Slaughter before he installed
Yeah, them time name Lamp Isle. See? And him a play that a brother sound here Explicit. So you see Explicit a big champion sound in a Waterhouse. Anyway, no dance I keep Explicit them and Excalibur them sound they play. So I start boy will I dance in my night time to go DJ on the mic because I want DJ in a brother because that me come about, you know. So you know say we got one dance run at one place named Bushmouth. See? One man named Voodoo Man. We used to say the Irish mash, one Ras. Him keep me dance in a yard. And me there, like them put me on the dance because the way I roll through the place, you know. I go up everywhere, go DJ. So them time they keep Rich and him brother, you know. Keep Rich and Ricky, you know. Them a run one, them mother shop, them mother and father, Magnus and Diane. They have a shop run at Bushmouth. When I go there, I have to DJ if keep all them. Then time I look up it, I have to give them the lyrics to you know. Everywhere I stop, every shop I go, I have to bust lyrics. That's my thing. All corners in the Waterhouse are my place. One time, I say I want to go and do work because I just come at home and not go and do youth and I make no money. Because I want to make money for myself, even though I in a house and I live with and ride bicycle. I want to make money and money I want. So I start walk out the whole place and I look work, brother. I walk out the whole of downtown. When I beg people them work, everywhere I go work, 1 day and 2 days, they tell me if I go along a studio. Me no needed that so. See? When I time me end up down at the police place. But then call it Marcus Garvey Drive where deal with them. Me boat them. See? Coast Guard.
Marine police.
Then me no go a marine police man and then take me on one. But them a go train me I want. Me don't know. And by me there first week. But they listen to my youth. You need to find one to there. You know if they know where you so. Because everywhere me turn in a complex. Crowd have together, because lyrics me a chat. See? I go up on a construction site, go work. And when I go up on the construction site, no work can go on. So all me do is entertain the people. And when you look, one man named Ken Kwati, I'm my boss, you know. When he come, he say, walk on, stage show work. I walk on also. And then me still I get paid every Friday, you know, because the site can't run without me, you know. Because every morning I just dress up and ride up on the site and park up. I start chat be sitting and DJ B lyrics and then say, yo, make sure you get in deny, make sure you get the money, you know. And me just get everything, because some of my things set. Me an artist, see? So, anytime I go away and DJ now, I start praying and I say, I want to go to one bigger place. So you have all one sound named Heat Wave, with Bobby Digital and Spraga, when man named Spraga Root, I don't remember, but a Bobby Digital sound. But he used to do up at one part of Waterhouse. So it's like so we DJ down I one lower part of Waterhouse. The next night we say, yo, next week Thursday I Heat Wave, you know. I hope this is we want to go touch, you know. Sometimes we go up there and turn up, we can't get the mic, a big shabarangs them and some man. So till you see Jammy sound, I start follow Jammy sound now when I come in, I tell you, say, yo, at Jammy's place me there, you know. When I follow Jammy sound and go to some dance, brother, I can't get for DJ because Admiral Bailey and the whole like big top man them come. So me I don't know nobody, you know. When them DJ, and when the dance done, me I get for DJ, you know. Like when them a string down his own now, me hold the mic, and me a DJ, you know, 3 backspan them and someone come and nylon and I hot, you know. When me go out the road next day, you know, you can't chat to me, you know. I King Jam is big also me DJ pan, you know. So till me start here, guess what me start now? Me start line up and I say, hey, me need to go country with the sound, I think me I hear that. Because when the sound go country, you more have a better chance like you with DJ down there. So, me see big old chuck a pack up all on Friday and I say, eh? That me depend on the brother, I chuck me, I go up on the then time there, everybody I want me to go up on the chuck. Because to all the chuck set up, man I did half I chuck back, you know. 3 material half kill man, way light wire shock you. So them I said, no, everybody when me tell that, you know. Because Miss Blossom them, you know, we sell food, you know. And Miss Mary them, you know. That are over where Mark in our 21 they live, you know. Them the people, are some big people them where they run restaurant and sitting, but I'm a family them. Like when I go to them and talk to them, I tell them say, oh, the DJ up so last night, man, what you mean? I try run with the truck. I just say, yo man, we are don't go on that. One man dead last week. When I look at me, I say, hey. And I get afraid little and by me move around with them start think back and I say, hey, I'm not dead enough, I go DJ. So when the truck start pack up like on Friday now, I make sure I have my little bag pack. Then the Beanie Man on the truck too. And Beanie Man have him bag too and them man they on top of the box them and them man they drop asleep, you know. And I don't have the last box and I not like my eye. Yeah, when the man they climb up on the box them, you know. And one part then go and down so they sleep go like mobile, you know. Then time them I tell you so when we are going mobile, if we dance a Saturday night, we have to left for a Friday evening. One brother named Maffia drive a truck and country them, see? And I dip on the truck and them time the jam is box them big like a building, see? And I help lift up box too, you know. You tell them I work to forget my space on the truck, you know. And when I reach all the Walter Fletcher Beach and with DJ, no, with DJ an idea when the sound string up. I don't go time we can hold the mic, you know. And at night, just by the time the dance start and stage show I go on, I'm tired and drop asleep long time. I wake up all and I chuck me lie down, behind like I did me, I did. You should jam see me next morning. Yeah, where you reach up? I say, upon the truck. Yeah, go in the car. A bad jam is them bad me up. I send me in a figure. I said, listen to me. I don't want you come up on the truck. I will me reach up quarreling, because true jam is I'm know them, you know. They know them, you know. I said, Jesus Christ, when going to chuck down one. They say, bye, next week again. I need for them a brownstone on the truck again, no car. Me no come for take no comfortable life, you know. I need it, say, you know, say. I go and dance, go DJ now. Bujo Bantan. I tell you about Bujo Bantan now. Bujo Bantan, me in a dance up a Walker's land. In a city I play. I hear the man them a play one DJ named Bujo Bantan. Blues and script. I said, the motor sang me here with this DJ. I said, who this? I wish man this have so much song I never hear about him. And me a gunshot of fire and sit down and I said, blows and skirt. I said, man, how shot is this? So I start walking and tell someone, say, yo, one DJ them buju one time, yo, I wicked this, the man in place on tune with the man I go bust it. So then I was the man go a sting. And when the man go a sting, we anyone must call him up over there. And the man bust. I start tear down the place and the man have a song when he browning. And the way the song bad and I play in me every minute, you know. I build one song off it, you know. Like joke, you know. And I say, browning. I have my machine to defend my browning. You know. Me love me knife, me love me stock, me love me special thing. Most of all, me love me girl like I show me there water house, you know. So when me a DJ on a gully bank come up in some garrison, you know, I pay a gun man have a DJ about, you know. Cause me love get it forward them. Cause bad man, and me want to feel like me a bad man, you know. See it? Me and black mice them a touch the road, you know. I reach the bench them, you know. See it? Across Red Bridge, I go to Jerusalem, go DJ at night time, you know. When I play with it, you know. So you know what I say? So from me build the tune about Gatlin, I got DJ it one night, run one dance, and one producer named Basil Veerman. We have a label named Veerman Records from New York City. In the day, I'm a part of that brother when he Beardy. We live like near to Jammy's, but that he would have John a brethren, saying so. Them apart. So when Beardy fly in, him and Basil are rolling a some rental with it. He double R them on the plate, see? Then I know say that man then I dance and hear me. And the next day the man come for me. And I say, yo, why you come chop the lyrics there, you know? So I go talk, him have the rhythm like him lick over the browning rhythm. Pa 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 pa. I'm not tell no lie. Cocotte in the studio a day too. I'm afraid with DJ lyrics to a gun lyrics. I'm say, big Cocotte them, when I go down me. You don't want to chat no gun thing when you see Cocotte them, man. So I go in the studio and chat some different lyrics, you know. I jam his voice in the room, you know. Then tell the brother, you even reach in a jam his voice in the room, you know. It's an opportunity because I used to in a jam studio every day. Come in there, watch them, you know. I'm fat man, I mix it tune them and you know. I tell you, one time, like, I don't reach one of the voice in the room, but me in the studio, I live in the studio. Like from daylight, I just don't know me, I don't go in the studio. In the cool, I see all big star come. And all big musicians, Mafia and Fluxy, Squidly Cole them, Master Griffiths them, John Holt them, and I sit down there, I watch them when they have voice and I watch how them do them thing. Because Jam is them, then kind of, you know, they accept me like family, like they know me, you know. So, me in there, I sit down. Enough man can't go in there, you know. I'm in there, I sit down. But me I say, oh, one idea, me must get a chance to grow on this. And rare, you know, and you know what I say. Anyway, they send me, like, they say, yo, go a shop, go back, me run gone. See? No change now, come back. See? And then you say, when the man come, it was a Sunday, and the man said, me fi go around there. And me around there, DJs on different songs to Cocotte in the studio, because I'm afraid with DJ gun song, you know. And the man said, yo, the bad man lyrics for chat on a Bushman last night, but the Gatlin man, I hate me one man. And I say, sir, me love me name, me love me stuff, me love me special thing. Most of it, I say, if I do that, I mash the studio, mash up. I say, yo, I sang that. And my voice is sang. And I hear me general, in a city, used to keep a Monday night thing down at Greenwich Farm, see? And the man then mix off the song and carry go to Greenwich Farm the next night. And in a city if play.
Big bad in a city.
And I hear me general, the man in Hurley, me in my house, and me, Kiki, the producer come check me. And I say, yo, a boss, your boss. I say, what you man mean? Come just do this song and me say, yo, I do one song. I don't expect it so quick. The man put in one sitting like one cassette them time there. And the man say, listen here. And you see from the man he introduced the song. I believe I one of them bad selectors to play in a city, you know. I remember if I'm Shagan one of them, but the man I make some talk on the song and I say, some man talk about browning and rare. Hey, we have a gun for different girl, you know, because some boy at the road want this all you want. Ah, the bad man, blah, 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 blah. And the man leg on the song. Brother, I hear some breeder gunshot fire up on the cassette. Me I say, wait, Peter, what? A 7 times the tune pull up. And so when the tune pull up, and I pull up and I mash up the place, the man go in a car trunk and take out one bag of clothes and give me. Clear iron shot. And some Patrick Ewing and so sitting. And give me about 300 US. I rich me. Come here, say. Remember, say, That man, you know, a voice him and I'm glad for voice a song for him, you know. I don't look nothing for the man because I just want to hear myself out there too in I mix up, you know. See it? When me listen, the man a pop out, I see man give me some US money. I said $300, about $650. And give me one bag of clothes, some bag car the ride, jump on something. And I say, yo, get ready, you know. I come back, come link, man. We go up on the road, go make two. I say, wait hard, man. A bicycle right there, brother. Oh, come reach back to this. The man came here a boat and I tell everybody, say, yo, I'm an artist. And every dance I keep, at night time, I have to go. I'm to go a teen jam, I'm to start Deejay song on a teen jam. Man, them fire shot, shoot off, much hockey off a tree down there, one bag of sitting, place, mash up, everybody start, know me now. One day, you know, but Bunty killer them come my studio now. And when Bunty come on now, then time you know, Bunty, Harry Toddler, Boom Dynamite, all of them dead.
Save your family.
Yeah, man, I remember when Bunty come out the first day, man. One Saturday, man, and in the a DJ, in the one song, them dip him, and send him back from foreign, in I'm one shut up jump on him, Patrick, you win. And me did I watch him and I said, yo, that man, I win. I'm not tell no lie, brother. I'm convinced. Because I say, you know, saying bad, because every lyrics me in chat, I know say bad lyrics, and you must do the serious. I'm not doing things, and I say, yo, I rate him, you know. So as some get to know him, them time name Bounty Hunter, I didn't never change the name to Killer yet. But I know him. So you see them time, I make money off a dub plate, you know. And like if I did the other day, time I have money, me just say, yo, buy something, and the whole of it took, I friend them, I use them. But then I tell no lie. And then Killer is a man who did there and I big up him thing until remember when he get the hits like the big song. Then he get the song where say, them all talk about dub, them go dub them and start mash up with dub room. And then time I have Gatling too, you know. Me I do dub hard, because you don't know what me in my house and I see Father Wally come my gate. Big Father Wally, then time I'm drive one Volvo. Father Wally them now look for me my house. I can't talk to Father Wally them. I big in a city boss now. I see the man knock the gate one day, you know, on the pound. I know so the youth when him Gringo live. So I said, yeah man, I name man, yeah. Who? I sing them big gunman lyrics after you don't look like bad man. Anyway, come and go and watch that song, you know. I pay the man, I pay him if I go to dub plate, I'm going in the studio. I remember the tune I run. And the first try, I try. Told the people them crowd up in the studio like the crowd, I get nervous.
Mash up the man and
mash up the man them big old dub plate, you know. And when the dub plate mash up, you know. I put on the mic and say, I can't bother with this. Because I'm nervous, because too much people are watching me. And I come out the door, come sit down and say, yo, I can't bother with that. I'm barking them, you see? You see, wicker man, I'm barking them. And then you out there, power man them. I have to respect them. Angel Douglas and the whole of them. Because them man, they look for me and tell me, say, yo, you say, this is what you got to do to make your money, you know. Dub plate. You have to learn to do dub plate. You have to go back in there and you have to do the dub. Talking, Twitch them, the whole of them. I say, you was school, man, them school me. He said, man, them don't talk to me. I look at them good and say, I mean, them attack. Them believe it. All right, watch this. I just go back in and say, yo, read him again. And you see, for me do that first dub there, brother, I can't come out of the dub studio at daytime. Every sound I come for me. Every sound, bodyguard, everybody, me just start do dub. Me love me special thing. Most of all, me love me Gatling. And me there on a waterhouse now until I start do my own shopping now. I go to the arcade and we are going to win our taxi if I carry. Me say, I know bicycle we are ride again, you know. Taxi we are charter.
Yeah, but hold on there. Because you said now, them time they are work with the name Gringo.
Yeah.
How the Gringo name come about? Because you're not brush your ranks, man.
Yeah, brush your ranks come in now, see? But when I come at town, man, them say brush your ranks thing.
Nah, go work.
Nah, go work. Okay. All right, you see what I think of my name? Liquor Robert from Central Village. Them man there. And Wicker man them, and them near me now.
Yes.
Barky and Wicker man have a lot to do with me now. Because you want to make now. As some artists them big already, and when you come to studio, then I pan you and this you. So then I always groom me like them and say, yo, you're going to need a name, you know. That brush your rank something, then nah go work out, you know. So I say, yo, I don't know what I'm going to name, you know. And the man say, yo, a Gringo man for name, man. You see the man like a Yankee man and rare, see it? And someone say, I Puerto Rican and some bag of thing, and them a joke, I make joke. They might say, yo, what this happened for name Gringo, man? Gringo ranks for name. So that's the Gringo ranking. A Gringo ranking first, you know. And then the ranking thing cut out and go down a ranks, you know. And then the ranks thing cut off and it reach back to Gringo, you know. But when I get the name now, I settle down in another name, then I say, But like the name here, the Gringo thing, because the people them take on to it, so the whole Waterhouse start know me now and say, Gringo. And when I go, a man say, Gringo. Say, and I say, what? I'm hot, you know. And I go a big road and turn up and people that pass a hail me now and say, yo, Gringo, come here, go all boat, all up a studio, mix them everywhere, go DJ, you know. But they're on a Waterhouse one day that. I mean, I studio. Then time I mean, I'm a season in Nugget on when I'm in a business with no Mandeville, I'm in business with nothing. I live at home. See? When I listen to some man, they yo, Gringo, your family, them out the door to you, you know. I say, I come out the door. A Benz and BMW and some big old long sitting and so guess how?
Utter them.
Utter boss them, man, the man don't come back for me, dog. They don't know what I say. I sit down in a big 5 series, be my BAC like in my face and man in the pan, yo, we're flying right now and we can't do without you. Where you them and you not come back. I say, brother, you say a bus man they are town and try a bus already. Man, they say, yo, come in dog, we can't sitting for you already. I just say from my turn back on Mandeville. I want big old rich house me up on our hilltop so I have big Benz every day and everywhere me turn now. People know say I'm me a DJ car. You see little come when me come to town. Then can't have me as no fool at Mandeville now. When I go to Mandeville now, it become like big artist because they hear about me. Then time the Jammies put out a song with me, you know, because I do a song for Jammies label, you know, when you are the owner, for the man, pam, pananam, pam, and that I play and I club them. So when I club them in a big Mandeville, Fairs Entertainment, big old club Saturday night. When I look at my song I play and girl I broke up, I say, but wait, I have done here. Because I never know, I just come in a Waterhouse and I just easy a Waterhouse alone, I don't want to, but through me come record two songs now, the thing I go and spread out. So I saw now, I back at Mandeville. I want to done now when him, Kevin my stand, saying, one of the young Dan them, the man interested now and I say, yo, where you take for going a production thing? And the man say, I him for manage me and railway. So right now, the man say, oh, I just star life me for living now. Man, them start teach me for drive now, you know. Second day, I learn to drive, I lick down and shop, you know. Hey, it's second day I drive, you see? You see the shop when I lick down? I saw school picnic just move from there, you know. I kill me, nearly kill about 8 picnic, you know. Because I claim say me a big driver now, you know. Mash up one car and run away, you know. Run away again, you know. Come here and say, but wait, mash up be done them car, done them out kill me, then time them look. Then them come find me back up a one scheme up at Greenville when me there. I say, come in, then time them effort, I say, I want never carry my camera, go flick, yo. And me I watch them. My man say, yo, I want to, we fix my shop on the car like that, I want to, and a big old DJ, come in. And the man never say, how much money if you spend by my career and sitting there, railway. That's a son now, you know. We start come and mixing lab, you know. Come voice tune now, you know, on one label named Lexus International. Saying, because you see youth when name Kevin, him a manage Shakespeare now. The artist when name Shakespeare, and cousin. That the youth there, no brother. That man, they believe in me. And him a say, yo, hear me now? We have to go invest a thing for anything and make a thing. Take off. And as soon as we start come to town and advise up, rounded them, we advise up ghost them, we advise up general degree them and so man, and we be that juggling. And I do a tune name ballet, I do it, because then time I wear some ballet, I be a 20 grand ballet I wear, you know. Rich, me say me rich now, you know. And I be a major damage suit and some click suit and a real star, I tell you something I live like now, you know. Because the man they just give me a bit of money for work with, for say I'm an artist and everywhere they say, yo DJ, buy some liquor. So, you see through that now, I start feel real stardom. I say, but wait, I'm rich for you or what? See it? But I'm not rich, you know. I just live rich, you know. See it? I mean, I tell you, say, the man them start invest a thing by me, you know, one higher FM and thing, now when the thing start get away. So, upon read them start hear me thing now, you know. Ballet, I do it every evening.
You hear it them. Man.
What you say? Ballet, I do it, I run things the street. You let me say, you're sweet, run up here, on your feet, and I hear me say, ballet, I do it, I run. I say, every day that I play. When you look some more artists up on the rhythm degree them and some man, so the thing start, I start hear myself on radio now. So you see that? That is a big difference in a brother. When time they RFM not done bill yet. I first part go up on the studio does that and when me look me I play up on there, some people are there, yo, me hear you talk about RFM, you don't talk about you. I say, what? And that no I hear GT Taylor my youth. You see GT Taylor and Gary G them, my youth, can't stop respect them and the brother. And them man they make me hear myself in a radio speaker. You understand? I will start thinking about the thing different now and then I go voice a tune. But I tell you, say, brother, you see, Junior did have a rhythm named Pepper Seed. Come I tell you, say, I end up back in the riches, you know. Let me tell you how my life go. I'm rich and the man live rich, you know. I still have to fret about town, you know. Come here, I say. Then if I run we go town for go bus and then I run we back for come a Monday because I don't United. Can't get no one out. I hear me a bounty killer. I shell down. We go off carnival one night. See? I'm in a place and we you come with shot me a big one shot. I tell the man them say yo, I tell you see that money I go bus. Cause media man they will tell the people them now.
Say killer I go
say,
bus.
yo, one DJ them bounty killer man. Half the bus that the man wicked. And when me in the dance, me the man them play bounty killer song. You go with shot, but I mean the whole place shoot up. I tell the man say yo, see me I tell you. Killer them I go bust them man. Me tell you say man them I run the place man. And I so now, I start pre and I say, even though me there man they little, me there still you know, and I live rich you know.
Yes.
And me still I say, this can't hold me down at Mandeville. I told me still want to go back to all the daytime. I charter taxi for about 1,000. And when they wake up, they can't find me. And I say, where are they? I say, out of arrows with them. I eat up a town same way, you know.
Yes.
Come here, I say, I told the thing there, you know. So if we start Carol-Dale, Junior read them. And we run this until Junior read, did have a read him name.
Pepper Seed.
And Kurt Riley did an engineer. See? And Kurt Riley come around there. And when Kurt Riley, you see Kurt Riley? I have to respect Kurt Riley too. Because them man there. From the man, hear me DJ. The man I say, yo, something there, you know, that you there. So Kurt Riley, him did that engineer and a junior read. And from the man come there, hear me DJ. Like the man does interested in me. And I say, yo, you bad, you know. Because I tell you the truth, brother. When I did that, I hold it and I just build lyrics and more time. So you see the tune from a Pepper Seed with him. Hardcore, nothing less, nothing more. Loving girl, she want 50 sure. The man get a mix. One group there around the place named SWV, a foreign. Pam, 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 pam. And he put that in the punch, see? And they start play on IRFM now and everything, and people start saying, yo, hot and rare. So you see from me start, like, me see me thing, I pick up on them juggling there now and I come in now. And I say, yo, I try to catch some rhythm now because I say, every time you hear a song on the radio, you have to say you want to hear a next one. You see me? So as soon as we start pre-father, weep out.
Stone Love.
Remember me tell you say no. Me there Mandeville and I live back rich, you know, and still I run well if you done them see me, you know, because I say, hey, I'm my talent, me want to work on it, I don't want comfortable up too much. I'm afraid to be comfortable. Yeah. Because I remember when me go through in the early part of my life, I say, if I never my talent, me don't know what happened to me.
Yes.
I just the urge when I have for the music and that keeps saving my life. So, me I say them time now, we go find Father Weep Out. Down a Scorpio, them time the Weep Out I work Tuesday night time. Time I have a bridging from Zeddy Garden named Peter Silvera. See? And the man I tell me, say, yo, we'll check Weep Out, man. And we go down a Weep Out. And then time we go a Weep Out, Merciless down the name Sugar Demus, you know. I come in from country at Tuesday night provide. I remember when they have a frag rhythm. Do. And Merciless voice, which was, I go get the woman of the year. I mean, they try to catch the rhythm, but the rhythm is gone already. See? And Frisco kid now start telling me, say, yo, how do you man, the boss advice, man, just don't stop trying to check him, man, and really. And Frisco kid carry me one party over in place. And then the Frisco kid hot with the Pepper Seed tune, man, sitting here. And the man carry me one party over Portmore one night, and I go DJ over there and mash up the place, and the man believe it in me. The man don't stop link me, and I say, yo, if you check Weep Out, man, if you check Weep Out. So I go a Weep Out one night, and the man have a rhythm, you know, Cardi right. Do a culture, do a big song for the name Gangali, see? So I say, hey, but did a big Father Power. I say, every night me a big Father Power forget a voice from already, man. But he used to laugh after me like him and say, yo, DJ, you're a foreigner, man. Like they used to take me from like a foreign youth. Because when I got student now, come like, choose a man I dress up in some clothes and I wear to big chain. They feel I'm rich already, you know. They don't know say how rich me I go like me rich, you know. I play rich, we catch up to rich, you know. Because I know like, I just had live an artist, so me have to clean, see? The man them laugh after me say me and no DJ. I sit down and I say, hey, watch how I go on. One night the mother there and the man say, go on around there. You swear the man say go on around there. But give them a thing say, woman, I'm falling. Head over heels in love with you, my darling. Every time you pass me by, you got me calling. Me about blood for your body, cause you see by the time the man, me daddy I chat the tune, you know. And me think say, them I go take up in. Me hear the man say, come around. So me I said, Dada, me put that. Yeah, man, I have it locked, man. I go this. The man come around here, man. Yo, we have that already. Play it. I play the man, I play my song in Anthony Red Rose in the studio. And I said, what? You hot? Because Red Rose is a man, you know. Me tell you, Red Rose. Me have to respect Red Rose. Red Rose is a man who always advise me as a little youth. And I tell me, say, I start party some youth one time, and then you start drink enough rum. Like, see him, Peter them, see? But I'm a little virgin them, but when they go out, then drink enough and party enough. And when them a drive out some reckless way with me, and I watch them and I say, oh, what is that? I'm dead or what? Night, you know. So Red Rose called me in one corner up at one club one night. Then time the asylum, a Godfathers. And Red Rose called me in one corner and I say, yo, you have to be careful. You say you want an artist, you have to be careful where you do on the road. And you now go look good if you're a party man and them a drink. And so when the man tell me that, I just start telling him, say, yo, brother, I joke thing with me thinking, man. Because I don't want a man look like me a fool, you know. I'm brave, I don't kill this driving, I don't crash on a dead thing. And I don't depend on that. You see me I say? And someone I'll vex to want to go and like me a switch, but I shoot, you see me? So I voice the tune for Father Paul now. I'm glad to voice the weeper with a brother. I say my thing is not about money, you know, dog. I want to live my life in a music, so me I figure say, me have to quick voice my song them for bass them, you know. I say the man called me around and one blouse and skirt corner. And pop out one big old Kyle, so. Couldn't have. Hey, then time the $500, I believe a $500 biggest money, you know. And the man count off 20,000 and give me, you know. So I say, what is, what? I think I said the man I sent me out, go check somebody. Yeah, come in now, expect weepo to pay me, you know, because to a weepo them think big stone love. I mean, well, one vice to the man. When I look the man, I say, I want to tell you what, you're working on. It's when the man say, I said, that man is normal. I'm a boss. Because the man count off 20 grand and give me, I mean, I expect that the man that give me no money because to me come and studio as a youth, I look for vice a song, see it? And the man give me, I said, but Father Power a real general, you see me? And then we start go whole Sally up on Thursday night now, see it? Down a Cargill Avenue. And brother, when me and I dance, stand up and hear all Cardi ride with him start play. I beat me heart a beat fast, you know, daddy. Because excitement, you know. I drop down in the dance, you know, because I say, we're afraid, you know, daddy, because if you sing all the play on the rim. If you ever hear that the rim there, you hear yourself, you see? You can't sleep, you know. And when you listen to the man drop all the things, I say, brand new Gringo. I say, wait, run up and down. That's how we used to do it. All the artists, them, like them are cheer on for them. You see the time that the business will come better than now. Business, the whole way, they are studio and like every man, I say, oh, Gringo tune, bad and rare. So when we go dance, when we hear one next artist tune play, me I say, yo, you hear me? Mother, we make nice with him song. And when Free song play, they make nice one, you know. So that also your thing there is a vibe, you see me? So it's like you feel like you're part of a family. You understand? So when we do the tune with him, I'm falling now. And that start get regular rotation from the radio, but people never know who. People start think of General Degree, people start think of some different artists. Terry Ganzi, then start say, who sing that song? Terry Ganzi sing a song already, see? So I say, I'm not business now, I go and work, you know. Then, I remember, I tell you, you know. You see, when the era come down, that was 94 now. Then time there, you know. Beanie Bus, Bunty Bus, everybody bus. And when me look, you know, me in a juggling and I go on and link them, say, Sting. So me about Sting. I'm mad, me get mad. Ready if you run out past Sting. And when me run out past Sting, I draw I'm Falling, and I draw Hardcore, nothing less, nothing more. But you don't know what?
That close, you know?
Yeah. Watch that, you know?
That close, man.
You don't know, so when I draw them song there, it's like me I say, yo, I have one song because Ghetto Slam, I run the place, and then me I say, what happened to the uptown girl them? What happened to the girl them at Portmore? Barbican girl them. See my back down to pat scrapings. One set of girl, no more you give the ratings. If you ever then time they matters at 9 o'clock, me I work sting in the day.
Early.
Me hottest thing when me I work 9 o'clock, you know. The way me glad for work sting, me want to work for all 6 o'clock when it's dust start, you know. Because me can't believe it's a big sting me there, you know. See it? And when me look, and I sang, me see the whole place light up. Slam, bam, thank you, mother. Me see the place light up. That's why I say, what? At biggest forward, me get out of the whole I sang them me attack now and that song on the record yet. So when me come off the stage, one brother named Dennis Howard, the man come to me and I say, youth, you're bad, you know, man. Go on, you hear me, man. Me for ready, me no. You more you do. Check me tomorrow up on Main Street, man. One voice a song with you, man. Me love how you go on, man. You go on good enough. When I see Dennis Howard in a brother, I tell me that, you know. I can't believe in a car. Remember I said Dennis Howard, them have some big disc jockey with run radio station and something. And I said, Dennis Howard, time I go voice, man. I don't sleep that night there. Because I don't want to sleep and day pass and I don't sleep on time, you know. I don't bother in no sleeping. You hear me? You see when the daylight, as daylight, me ready, you know. And when I reach up on Main Street, boy, in 10, 11, the man up there and rhythm put on. You hear me now? You see me? Me always, I try to for my life, you know. Because you don't know what. I go in the studio, got DJs on different songs. Because I have that song there, one little song where I just stage show me a chat upon, you know. Go in there and I chat one different song and I try to chat some decent. You hear the man? What happened to the song where you talked last night over Sting? Then tell them I don't write out the song or nothing, I just have me have the first part, you know. So some man say, yeah, man, I have it locked, man. See? Come in, I come out of the studio. How will you look? The man said, no, you chat, man. And I said, so you have down two parts and start chat the song. So I chat the song, studio mash up. Man, say, yo, the right song that very. In the studio, I go and make up the lyrics, you know. Slam, bam, thank you, madam. You think I want to get to good stuff I come from? Well, just in case I want to run a real marathon, you have to find a girl who live up a Barbican. Sexy browning with all your red and a jive. Well, when me done chatting, how much studio mash up? You don't know what I say about next day. Richie B have a thing on him program where them a play. The two song them, my song, you know, and Get to Slam, you know. And when I look, people are all voting for my song. I say, yeah, man, love it, man. Big up back the Uptown girl, man. I say, what? That's when I look. A cleaner company call me, you know. Say them need me to come in, come do an interview. Me. First, me I go to cleaner company, I read about cleaner company address, you know. 7 North Street, you know. I'm going to read that man cleaner company. Yo, when I look in, man, I say, oh, come down to the cleaner. Do you know where? I say, I have even know cleaner company. Before I phone hang up, I don't have cleaner company. I say, cleaner company call me. So they ask me about this song and I ask me what come up with the idea. You see when I look, it's Friday, up on the front page, I star me sit down, you know. Remember, I say, I tell you, I don't know money, I don't know nothing, you know, brother. The thing does happen naturally, you know. See? Because I told me, say music, I don't believe in that. You see that buy out music, something there. I don't believe in that. Because you see, for me, I'm a talent, I use my talent. I don't business about no fight. I don't business with nobody, I say, you have to use it. So I see myself on the front, I start. That was the next stepping stone. I said, John, oh, Father God, what is? And everywhere I look, I start and everybody starts saying, Gringo, Gringo. So till when I look, you know, one man, you know, I hear some people that I get a blow, beep, beep, beep. Guess how? Now, Anthony Milan Entertainment Report. I say, what people are with me, I don't know, I expect, you know, I watch Entertainment Report, but you just watch it and the program. Yeah, man, they think big and something. Like what I want to teach them, I don't know what to teach them. Because I saw me state up. But tell myself, at all time, whenever I tell myself, like, oh, I'm a big star, I'm a this, I'm that. Yeah. I'm humble. See, I watch the thing, them, I'm a cheer for other people, I say, because enough time I watch something, I say, all right. Just when I look, Anthony Miller, the man said, we need you to lip sync this song, you know, because it's number 3 on the chart, and next week it's going to number 1, and we need to do a little interview. That's gate me there, you know. I have to wash my face quick and just and one shot and sit down. And when I look, you know, ER, you know, I interview me. That's the next Friday when I look. And number 1 this week, slam, bam, dang, I gone and number 1, you know. And I said, yeah.
That song went to number 1.
Yes. And you see when it go number 1, it's still number 1 about 2 weeks. Then, so Bounty Killer did have a song with him. Cellular phone. All right, let me tell you this now. You see, when Bounty does cellular phone, I listen to this song and I say, don't ask her, this is a one counteraction. Because in my mind, you know, I pray and I say, look what song where voice and I counteraction can go number 1. You know what I say?
Yeah, do some more.
I need to do some more sitting. Okay, you know. See, because Mr. said this thing is like, it catch on to people. So, Bounty Killer look cellular phone now and I'm there listening to song and I say, it's a bill for Bill Song and fight on a business. That time I tell you, say, Killer, I'm a friend, you know. Yeah. Not like me and him my enemy or nothing. But me I listen to the song and I say, I don't even counter that song. If the man I say, cellular phone, huh? So, I find the song. Why run up for your cellular bill? Bad man in your house and a chill. Lord, you a chat to you girl and me and I got a record factory now. And start chatting on the secret him. Cause them time the record factory down at Hagley Park Road, you know. And like when we go in the dub studio, I start chatting out. Cause the man must say, yo, that bad. Oh, I will get that. I'm in a voice it. For one youth name, a Tony. But his brother, Goldust brother. See it? And that producer, Cosmic Force. We have some boss. See it? So when I know him did live near to where Kurt Riley did live to. Because Kurt Riley become like, when I time me and Kurt Riley a par, you know. And his brother named Dan Mafia, you know. And when you look where I go along a Techniques record shop and I have to go Deejay down there. Because I start walk up and, brother, I start Deejay at the whole record shop them in halfway through, you know. Every day, you know, I just go turn up in there and Deejay all day and bass school pick the crowd up and everybody come in and hear me Deejay and say, what song him sing? I say, oh, he sing that, sing me that. I boost up my record, you know. Yeah. Me find out, so when me in the record shop and stand up, the people them go buy my record, see it? So me there up at Earl, them up at Aquarius everywhere, me just want Deejay, you know, brother. Because me I say, yo, this thing I like it will happen, you know. Because tone this mean I want people to hear me on record and me no care. So you know what I said? Cellular bill. Me do this song and the day I do this song one dog and go run up for your cellular bill. One day I go down and Scorpio. I want you to say, yo, you know say Ricky Chupa. And I say, no, I go on. Yeah, Chupa come down and look for you, you know. I say, Chupa look for me. I'm a guy, John, how much day I beg Chupa them for the dub and Chupa them not even look for me, you know. And the man say, yeah, man, go check the man, you, the man come down here and check for man. So I say, Ricky Chupa look for me. Yo, up a Jaro. See? You say me go up a Jaro. The man called me around and back and count about 25,000 give me and say, yo, actually you get hot from what day and I see how come link me. Yo, some of them said, no, come here, I'm going to clash with 4x4 accident. So I said, Chupa, the way I go for. Go lock me and tell you some of them. Yo, you see me going to Jaro studio? Why run up for your cellular bill? Ricky Chupa in your house and a chill. Yo, the man got a country. Go clash 4x4. And dry tone. And plenty dancing at 10. Because I remember I said 4x4 them, you know. Them man there, you know. Them man they get bounty killer, trailer head and chuck and everything and 1 million. When them man they have ice killer, you know. I owe like money in the world. I kill an artist. So you have that cellular phone tune, you know. And him have hype up with it, you know, and I say, I big song this, but Chupa have a counteraction. Because then time I believe Killer and Chupa didn't have some problem or what. So Chupa draw the song down. Chupa draw the song. I mash up the dance. You see, me say 4x4 England, you know. Dust, you know. I'm a bridge, you know. You know, hey boy, you see you? Are you make me done with sound? The man said go in a record shop. Halfway through and buy a record, you know. And broke the record and say, boy, I kill me, you know. Because the man can't believe the response. You see me I say? So Big A now, did I keep a show? Big A from IRFM. He might keep a show now down at Windsor land. I see him land where the clash go on in there, you know. Just when Chupa go down there and win the clash, Black Cat come feed up. Lee's Unlimited I come. It will like big sound them you know in Jamaica. I
come feed up.
Record factory, ram at the time, you know. I wait for me, you know. Then time we do start rent car now, you know. More than rent if we 3 there, we know members so we carry back at 3 months, so we back with a car. Because we don't have a car, we are rent now, you know. See it? And car we drive good, you know, we hand them type of car, no license, nothing, because we no car. I live where I live now, star life, we say where I live, see it? Then I know what I say. When I do cellular bill, I frightened Big A put me on one show with Bounty Killer, you know, and Stitchy, you know. Bounty Killer, Stitchy, Sprague Benz, and Frisco Kid, and some people. So, I say, I need to go shell down the show, yeah. The day I showed me to go. Then, when you see me with me apart with the name Peter Sylvia from Zedi. Brother, the man for come for me, I don't know where man there in the dark. When I look all night, come down in there. You know, say one girl I know uptown. The girl called me and I talk to me and I tell her, say, yo, right now, a problem in there, because one big show keep a country, I go mash up and right now, I can't reach because the man for come for me, and man say, I come and me ready. And the girl thief out her mother car and come for me, you know. And me and I drive go to country and I win a license, you know. The girl believe in me, you know. Because, you know, man. Them girls that sound like a rich kid girl, but the way me and them reason about life and how they see me flex them, I say, oh, yo, you got bust, you got 10 star after they rate me up. And me and I reach a country and we reach them, and we late. Bounty them, the pan stage and Sprague Benz them and Me tell you, say, me afraid, you know, I say, then how I go by that work? I hear Big A go tell me, say, I go mash up your show, man. Anytime they come up, just go up there and draw that tune there. The counteraction tune, man. I go say, me look man Big A good and say, what them man I tell you that kill him and when people kill me or what? How big old bunty them for just come up stage and tell me if we go draw some, but and the man I say, trust me, man, that go work, man. So I turn up and I pray, and I say, you know, I hide me if I hide out Big A and go way back. But guess what, I can't go way back. So I look on the girl and I say, all that girl I believe in, I'm so much. People that they mother big old 850 Volvo, come carry my country and then I go run way back. In this, you know, I face up to this tonight, I feel dead, you know. So same time them come off my stage, Praga Ben, see me now. And I say, Gringo, where you swing go? And the man give me a mic. He said, Praga give me a mic, I run up there. And I run up there, so I just start Deejay. I say, yo, big up Bounty Killer. Because one thing with me now, everywhere I go and I go talk, you tune, me big up Killer, you know. And when I contract Beanie, man, anywhere I go and I go talk, my contract, me big up Beanie, you know. Because I say, I don't know what thing me depend on, no personal thing. Me just want DJ one song and sitting. So it's when me chat to tune. You know what I see them people them coming like them did in a dance with Chupa win. I mash up your people, I him do it. Yo, Ricky Chupa go. And me just jam next tune them now where I play and tear off one big old forward and heart when me look at crowd get around me. And people say, yo, that tune, that Chupa, I'm very. Big A send somebody come link me and when me go check Big A. The man give me one envelope. Remember say I free me, I go work at Big A that we work on IRFM, you know, brother. The man I give me big old envelope when me look at 20 grand in 20 grand strong like a lion when me say. When me say 20 grand from Big A, cause as a radio man, me not expect a man to give me nothing, cause me glad to come my man show. Give me hotel key for over Jewels Resort. I may have key I go like over them and say, then I say, yo, this a girl have worked back in car before daylight, you know. Because we are going to a hotel room and can't sleep till daylight. Because when you look, you know, this a car have to reach back at Russell Heights, you know, by morning, you know. And when you look, you see that day there, when my DJ at that dance, by me go halfway through the next day. And me hear Cassette Ninja them and all of them. I hear myself, Panic Stone Love sitting now, you know. And I say, Blue, Gringo, mash up down my country, so everybody start here now. And it's Saturday night now, Big A give me an interview on IRFM. And if I'm doing interview on IRFM, brother, by the week we start, everybody in a Jamaica talk. And I say, yo, Gringo, man, contract Bounty song, man, contract Beanie, baby. And Beanie man go do a song now, what's that?
Big up and trust.
Yeah, why you get to girl man and big up and trust. So you see in the last song now, the people them say, yo, see man, don't really sit down again, and I say, yo, I go mixing lab one Sunday morning, and I hear Colin Fat with the rhythm and the giggy, you know. Boom, 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 boom. And I say, well, I say, the girl where you want big up and trust. Apart with that different set of man, I mix up like a story, you know. And that down in a treat, with the Louis culture, them and the Terror Fabulous, remember say that juggling the heart, you know. Take Babylon, find the herb, and say it at the best. And when you look, me say the girl where you want big, I play everywhere, you know, when you look, you know. Number 8 all in a chart, and sitting, I say, but wait, hot. So you know what I say? I saw now, Kirk Matthews, with one travelers, the man them say, yo, buy your passport. I'm going to carry my passport, go give you back, see? And then say, yo, embassy. And when I go to a big old embassy, I stamp, I say, me get in my book, you know. And yes, I'm Miami, I go now, you know. Because some youth where I link with Kirk, them when you them at one truck stop. You see, Andrew and Omar them. Omar used to keep show up in Miami. So the man them I say, yo, the people them want to know Gringo, you know, because I'm tune them a play, you know. So I saw me go a foreign now, you know. Guess how want me the punish show. I am Bounty Killer, man.
Oh, you're a killer.
So, after the sentence be a show, you know, I force me to see back killer, you know, because me feel the killer go kill me now when he see me, you know. See it? I reach the airport. I see Bounty. I say, me and him are calling and Stone Love the punish show, you know. And when me look, I no business still now, because I said, I have nothing against killer, so our lyrics, me chat. So when I see him, I hear him. Oh, what? How did that? When I look at me, the man are reason good. I say, go here, man, I hear. I think the man are going to kill me. I'm afraid to go hear the man come here. I say, but the killer with a big, you know. How when I hear the man? I mean, the man chat and when I look at me and the man sitting in a first class, I go in a foreign, you know. And when me reach a foreign and see back big Miami now, you know, I say, Kuya, that's why man run away and come back here because the way the place I look. I even what, see it? And when you look at limousine, me say come for me now, you know. And when you look at him now, one big old hotel when him holiday in Joe Robbie Stadium and pay and bag a sit in Miami Dolphin, them and go on, I reach I see it? Big old radio station with Clinton Hill, them and I say about a art hour. I have some of my schoolmates them will live in Miami start calling me now and I say, yo, boy, my out. Well, no one say you didn't go make it call you. Remember in a class I bleed the deck. Me say, yo, me say hot me out of what? See it? Say no what say. You see night I show. Fret me tired fret. You don't know what me afraid. Me now one barber shop. Run him Razmatas, run a 441. You know. I me hear the man them a reason. Me now barber shop and the man don't know say my name Gringo in the car. Me the man anyway me go me try if you don't make nobody know me. I saw me time. I'll know me which people don't know me sometime, you know. Because I just want to have some place and just easy. I don't want no excitement. See it? I want to be myself. So, but now when I find out everywhere I go, no matter where I go. Yo, bro, I say, yo, bro, take time, man. I don't bother with the excitement. The show not start yet. So, me and I barbershop, I hear some man talk and I say, oh, all the boy when him Gringo. I want to know where am I go DJ say later. I mean, man, I'm talking, I'm running a party and I barber chair listening. And I say, oh, you mean the one who counteract Bunty? Boy, I don't know what go on in the car. You have to go down there, sick of him. Can't chop that the lyrics that in the throat. And I thought, fret now, and I said, Jesus Christ, I want every people in my plan to give it to me tonight. Yo, I have a big old suit for wearing. And I say, I'm not wearing, I'm not dress up, because told me feel about that show, yeah. I don't feel about that dress up, you know. I go in, I want shorts, I want t-shirt, I'm chain, I'm sitting there, man. When I reach our show, General, I said, the show black. Because them say the venue did get shoot up already and they did lock down. So open it open back now. See? Great music performance. One you named Richie. See? And chubby them and them keep the show. See? They don't know what I say. When I go in there in a general and the people them call me up, you know. I run out on the stage, brother. I'm a member. You see when I draw that song there? Remember I say I big up Bounty first, you know. And that me do first, you know, I say all who love Bounty Killer, but so I whole a Killer fans them in the show, you know. And I say, big up Bounty Killer, he's a big star. When I thought this tune end, looking no war, talking lyric to read far. See? And the secret him drop. Stool up, tum, 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 tum. And when I draw that the song there, you see? I beat the show up lit up. And I stay and give them the rest of the song them. See? Because I say I have that song out there, but that song is a big problem when I afraid about it. I can't draw nothing more till I draw and see. So if you know kill me from first, you know. And you know, say people them work with me. And then when I look, the next day now, Bounty Killer fly out. But me never come down to see him there. When Bounty Killer come to Jamaica now, I saw Bounty Killer start call my name now. And I say, the boy belly Gringo, his mama name Lucille. And Ray. So you see the call when start calling my name now. The thing get that time. When Killer call my name now, I start say Gringo and Ray and start call up my name. But I tell no lie. That was a hot thing, cause you don't know if like Killer call your name. Yeah man, I don't care. Cause told me do music and told me see my thing, you know. I don't business what nobody say about me. Cause music and music. So if a man call my name musically, I don't really have no problem, you know, brother, because me know myself say, boy, I'm a trouble man song, you know. So every man who cause me have me them business. So you see people them take on to it in the street now and say, oh, Bounty Killer say Ray, and then it's like people start hear about me more. So I never care. You understand?
Work for you.
The problem is now they go put me as Ninja Man for Clash Pan Sting. Them time there, you know, brother. I fired me there, I do my thing, and like me, I do some show. Refugees, them and some sitting. Spragga Benz, Berries, Amman. You see me, I say Barrington, leave you, them type of show them I do, you know. Because me I get bookings, you know. Laying down, you know, I promote thing, you know. But show me I contact Bounty Killer and Beanie, man. So it's like, me, you know, want something where they have me as a mix-up as a man where want war them, see? When you look, them put me on things and me and the Ninja Man I go clash. Nobody no consult me about that, you know. I come, and them, they are finding a man and tell me, say, yo, I see upon his top of sting flyers with Ninja Man. And I say, how that? Then after me don't know about that, but you see me link them through, they know me and through them I say, oh you mean Gringo? You see me? Yeah. So them think that I hype up the show, they don't know what I say. I go a sting now, brother. I mean lyrics them and everything and that, I you see that night there, we planning up. I mean, if I war, because we no business, we will take anything. But Ninja Man, I'm say Ninja Man, I'm God. I must say, man, me tell you, say, me run, me come at town and read. And I say, yo, I go over there go work out some lyrics and no business. But me have my lyrics them line up and sitting, but me I tell you the truth now, brother. You see, when me go up on that thing there, 7 o'clock in the morning, when me see that the crowd there, I force now, me like a youth now, I go face one crowd like this, brother. Hey, I say, me feel my belly moving. I say, what is like never put me now? No, yo, I say, Ninja Man, make one speech. Serious Gringo presentation on the Kilamat program, being like I went to the cook and the rest of the blood. I will jam really fuck. But you know what? Here where me have to say, brother. You hear me I tell you?
I know, go up on stage.
I go up on stage and not even, when I do so, nothing can come out. You see forward when Ninja Man get, he caught every word out of everything what me say. I don't know. I remember saying, brother, you have to check for the man way. I don't experience in the music now. We ain't that. I just start my thing now. And when I go road next, yo, brother, when I come out of that thing, I see him like that. I say, what is that? See? Problem. Because I think I want like a fear clash I go on, and Ninja go Deejay, me go Deejay, and we go chat to lyrics. When me look, I dead in a show. Like an anti-foul them, and when I come out that thing, I hide and I say, hey, I don't know what is it that I'm done with music. Then time in my heart, I said, John, what dog? I fret, because you know, I got in my head and can't sleep. I said, yo, John, I'm not DJ, dog. I'm not get for chat no lyrics. I go turn upside of this man. See it? I can't turn upside that man, brother. I king for thing. And when the man talk, brother, I come like, no matter where you go, come and say, brother, the people have not even want to hear what you say. So, in my mind, I check, say, I done my thing done now. I mean, I fret about in a way, you know, I go up on the road and people up on, yo, see boy, there when Ninja Man kill a sting and rare it. When I look, I get a call from Barman. Say, them a book me when I show up. Good one, somebody named Biggie Small. Anytime they don't know who named Biggie Small, got you, I follow up rap, you know. See it? I see flyer, I see Biggie Small. I tell someone, yeah, man, I show you one hombre named Biggie. Yeah, but you don't know who who that again? I biggest rapper. Me don't know that. Me say, me don't know. Yeah, how you mean? At them the time, I know some man start playing man song and I say, then a man sing this. I say, them a big rapper. I'm start study about the man now. You know? And when me reach a Bahamas, they don't know how to reach me there. Me go in a airport and tell the people them board. I come to work, show us it. See? And when me look, you know, I first in my life, maybe I get turned back out of our airport, you know. Because you don't know what, the youth them outside with the work permit, something, see it? And me a fly normally I go in our country, you know. Me if you just tell the people, them say, yeah man, I come visit her. When I come out, them will bring me to one place to sign up some paper for me, get the permit. And me don't know them or something there, you know. Me I tell the people, them are immigration, say, yeah man, I want big show I come for you tomorrow. Say them, sure? You come here to do a show? And I say, yeah, then time I see them I take out some people to the line, you know. And I bring back in our room and I tell someone, say, oh, then carry on put me, man, I'm a place, man. Can't you go there already, see? I say, oh, I'm there. My place, man, I'm come and saw all the while, my friend. And when I look, man ask me something. I say, yeah, man, at the big show, I come. Hear them? A show? You come here to perform? So I say, yeah, hear them. Where's the work permit? I'll never tell them, say, yo, the promoter them outside and everything. Me don't know if I tell them, say, yeah, what that? The people them say, yo, come. And bring me back in our room. You see people when me laugh after, I up in front of them, then carry me go, then carry me past them, you know. I say, this is a man, yeah? The man, yeah, try take him right back on the plane. Pick it, tear not to, cancel. And I go back on the plane and I say, yo, what is this now? Mix, you know, come here, I say, I first me get turned back from my airport now, I say, but what is? When we reach Jamaica, I say, I'm not going to know, I'm going to do no show, I'm busy with no people here, man. And when I look the promoter call, I said, listen to me. We have another first class ticket for you tomorrow morning and if you want me to send a private jet for you, I will. Gringo, you have to be on the show. The people in Bahamas, they want it. I said, well, go on, I have to over there. So I just jump on plane and go. When we reach Bahamas, they say, I come out the next morning now. Immigration not even ask me nothing. So all the things start out now. I help me, say, I help jam me through there. Yeah, that's it. Where am I going through now? I mean, I want limousine, I see people around me down. Guess what people them say? This man go up and sting for Clash Ninja Man. At that make people them want to know me, you know. So I say, Kuya, Me check say I dead, me dead and the people them take it as big thing, cause them I say, for a youth like me, we are coming down music and brave stuff, we want to clash big ninja man, them we are dinosaur. That means that something in it then. And when we go to the radio station, something no biggie smile now, we stay at one hotel now, and we go up a biggie room and link up biggie now, me and them a reason. When we there on the radio, them I say, new lyrics. Them I tell Biggie if he spit something, you know, no, man, I make Gringo do it. Gringo, give them some, I'm start chatting. Whole line crew, everybody rate me by me. I say, Koya, after me, I check say I dead, me did over thing. So I did it, I go and do my thing, and me go and do my thing, and where. Until one show name, fully loaded. Come up now, see?
99.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.